What's up, people? Welcome back to another live stream. How you guys doing? So we're basically getting the CPI data right now. Let's see what the SPY's gonna do. All right. Initial move is up. I'm waiting for the data to come through. Oh, here it is. Oh, wait. That's jobless claims. The expectation, I believe, is 7.9. I think Squirrel also said that in here too. Here we go. What's the CPI data? All right, so we got AMC down about 1.27% over here. I have that uranium play, the UUUU strangle, the quad U. I got the Oxy strangle still cooking over here. So let's see. Oxy is up about 1% in the pre-market over here. Not bad. All right. Let's see. Where is it? Increased 7.9% from year earlier. Core CPI up 6.4% year over year. So it came in right at expectations. Right at expectations. So let's see what the market's going to do over here. GME is down about 2.17% as everybody's filtering in. Let's just do a quick Ortex update over here. Let's see what we got. So 277,000 shares net borrowed, 100% utilization. Cost to borrow looks like it's trying to come up a little bit here, but again, we're gonna have to wait until the end of the day to see after they've taken out a bunch of shares, what is the average of the interest rate on the loan of those shares going out. So right now, 1.63% average on 319,000 shares, 20.76% estimated short interest. Again, we saw a little bit of an overestimation from Ortex again on that exchange reported short interest number. So February 28th was the settlement date. They estimated it, or the exchange came out at 17.79. I think Ortex was estimating like 20.6 or something like that. So they overestimated a little bit. You got 129 million shares on loan, 106 million shares estimated to be sold short. It's a lot of shares that they can use against us, kind of like those candles that we were seeing yesterday. So, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot, getting more people in here. Ooh, here we go. 18 max pain? I don't think so. Let's take a look, though. It was 17, unless it came back up. Unless it came back up. 17's max pain for this week. Barry. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. All right, so SPY's reacting pretty positively to this right now. We got Oxy trying to come up here a little bit. Where's Quad U? We're out of U. It's coming up here. I don't know. Let's see how that strangle goes. It's going to be all right at market open today. Let's see if we get any news about this uranium stuff. If I make a little bit of money on it, I might just extend the strangle to like April or something. Because the March expiration date's like next week. Amy's getting a nice little pop here off the CPI. When the market pops up like this off economic data, everything's going to start to go. If SPY really likes it and the market really likes the CPI coming in right at what they expected it was going to be, we could go on a little bit of a run today, but let's see. Yeah, CPI numbers basically in line with expectations. Is today March 3rd? No, but there's a lot of bullshit coming out of the March 3rd creator. Absolute bullshit, man. Told you. We told you. Let's see. What's Lucid doing? Let's see. Lucy Goosey, what do we got here? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, Lucid. Lucid's, it's down point. So now it's up 0.2%. It's coming up in the pre-market over here. Where's like Neo, Tesla, and all these other ones? Neo's down, but coming up. Charge point. Oh, down. SPY flickering. That's not really a flicker. That's a nice little green candle there that it's getting all the way down from like 422 to 424. That's a $2 candle. That's not bad. Where my money at, Kenny? I would like to know as well. Let's see. It's not often the expectations are exactly the same as the actual. It's pretty close. They mess with the numbers, though. Like, come on. 7.9% exactly. It's not like 7.92. Come on now. Or 7.92345. Like, come on now. We've been saying jump ship for weeks. For weeks? For weeks? For the entirety. Let's see. Let's see some movement today. Dude, I would love to see that here. I would love to see that. All right. Let's see where oil is right now. Ooh, WTI crude coming back 113.16. Brent is at 116. So Oxy could be having a little fun today. Let's see how the strangle works. Oh no. Let's see. Yeah, but even more so. Fair rants. Very fair. Very fair. All right, let's see here. What do we got going on? Bitcoin running. Riot got a nice candle there. Bitcoin, what do we got? Bitcoin coming up here, kind of. I mean, it got through the 200 EMA, but came right back down on the closing of the candle. So let's see what happens with the SPY. If we get a nice little 1348 crossover coming up, that'd be pretty sweet. Good morning, apes. Is it March 3rd? Higher inflation than expected? Nah, it's right within the expectation, the 7.9%. Reviews. The one time I was smart, instead of stop limit on my $54 Oxy call with a tomorrow expectation, it hit and I really missed out. Dude, okay. So the thing about Oxy in oil is I had the Oxy strangle solely to play a giant oil move in either direction. I was 100% correct. I just picked the wrong stock to play. I just picked the wrong thing to play. Like I should have played USO or anything else. Like, look, USO yesterday, it never did anything. Like, if I had a strangle on USO going into this week, like it would have just been, oh, okay, print. The Oxy one, though, with oil down 10% yesterday, Oxy was up a boatload. So I just picked the wrong thing to strangle. The thesis, correct. The execution, not great. Lou said AMC squeeze in March or it's not happening at all. Well, he's a fucking idiot is what he is. Why? Who trusts that dude? Oh, I got people on the street. Prove it, bro. If you're going to say all that stuff like that, we'll rant. Now you heard me say it before. He's fucking with your money. He's fucking with your money. That's what it is. I don't think it's on purpose. I just think I think he's got this like narcissistic, egotistical, like I'm right, nobody else can tell me anything mentality that's screwing with everybody because nothing that he said has been right. Nothing. And like I've said before, I don't care if you talk to some idiot on Wall Street. They're all idiots. They're not that smart. If you talk to them, you're like, oh, you actually don't know anything. Like, I had an analogy for it, and I don't know if I'm going to use it because it's kind of gnarly, but I'll clean it up a little bit because here it is. Okay. So it's like if your girl, you got a girl, your boy, you really like her. Your boy then comes and tells you, it's like, hey man, she's cheating on you. She cheated on you with me. That's essentially what he says. And you're like, oh no. And then you just go back and hang out with her. It's like, what? Hold on. What? You know it's nonsense. You know it's bullshit. It's just wild. It's just wild. It's like, oh, okay, cool. Like at this point, like I was saying before, like, oh yeah, just like know what it is, know what it isn't. It's just entertainment. Don't listen to the information because it's not information. It's kind of trust me, bro, nonsense. Oh no, not now. Now it's stupid. Now it's just stupid. So I don't know. We'll see if any the like whatever. I'm not trying to be an 8. Yeah, it's true, squirrel. Like I hope he gets better from that. Like I don't want him to be in pain, like to have like issues, but like imagine telling somebody I'm listening to somebody to tell me about stocks who's like, never mind. We're not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it. All right, let's see here. Guys, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. We got, Oxy coming up here a little bit. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All righty. John, thanks for becoming a member, my man. I appreciate that. Woo! Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. John, welcome, buddy. John, I thought you were a member already, my man. Welcome back if you're coming back. Daddy, chill. No. Relax. No, you're just being it's like, "Oh, if it doesn't happen now, it's never happening." It's like, why though? Like, why? Like, what is that? Morning SB. You think they're moving the real AMC share whoa, 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 whoa. There is no real AMC share price. There's the price that we see here that's been diluted by all the synthetics, but and that's sort of maybe how that share offering can come in and just like reset, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Spy 410 by Friday. I mean, we got a little shark fin here on the spot. Occidental. Getting some boom booms. There's Chan. I don't know. Any chance Oxy hitting 65? Bro, I hope so. I would hope so. I'm hoping for it, man. All right, let's see. Let's see. Triple U? Triple U or quad U? What the hell is this? This is carbon monoxide alarms. I don't know how this is going to be blockchain with AMC's. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm looking at something different over here, but let's see. Amy 1554 in the pre-market over here. I mean, SPY liked a little bit of that CPI data, but I don't know. Let's see what the actual reaction is going to be like once the market opens. I'll join as a member if we hit 61 on Oxy. You don't have to join as a member. I mean, it could run. Like, it's possible. Oxy's been having fun. We just missed Amazon go to Mars and Power Hour. Yeah, Amazon stock split. That's interesting. I remember I was having a conversation with my real estate professor not this year, but last year. I was like, I think Amazon's gonna split. And I was like telling him, and he was just like, okay, cool. And I was like, yeah, I think it's gonna split. But I haven't thought about it in forever. I was like, it makes sense for them to just split and like do it to like protect themselves. And then they did it. So it's cool. They haven't done it since 1999, I think, though. I think that's when the last time they split. They do a buyback too. I think they did a buyback. I don't know. Let's see. You lost 400 in puts yesterday, so YOLO the rest of my account on puts for Friday. Kind of that glad you did. That's silly. Matt stuck suspenders, buddy. I did, and I just ranted about it because I think it's complete bullshit and it's stupid and it's literally gonna kill everyone's brain cells. That's what it is. CPI comes out today. Thoughts? It already came out. 7.9% was the year-over-year inflation. Inflation. All right, people. Let's see here. Bing bong, price is wrong. All right. Let's see, folks. We got the CPI. BS, right? Yes. Matt stuck suspenders. I don't think. Almost anytime it's like, it's weird now because it's like anytime that he says something, automatically I'm like, oh bullshit. Like it's just there's been so many times I've been conditioned to just be like, oh bullshit. Was the CPI good? It came in right at expectation, so it could be. It could be taken as good, but it kind of SPY kind of shark finned a little bit here. Oxy flickering around a little bit. Let's see what this is doing. It's up 1.44. It's not bad. Let's see what happens with this during the market hours today. Did I see your message about Ukraine? I did not. In the chat or Twitter? I was in the chat or on Twitter? Let's see. He's had a long campaign of trying to say every YouTuber knows nothing. Everybody doesn't know anything, but then you come out and it's just like, oh, it's not happening. It's like, really? Let's see. In the chat? No, I didn't see it. Leo, what was it? Leo. Oh, they there's black the car. Oh, craziest video. Yeah, I can't watch it right now, but that sounds interesting. Bitcoin crashing. It's shark fin, just like with the SPY. So let's take a look over here. It's not crashing, but Okay, you might be right. That's a shark fin on Bitcoin over here. That's like up shark fin. So watch out on the SPY. Let's see if this is gonna come down a little bit. Okay, so if Bitcoin's gonna sell off, watch Mara, Riot. Whoa, Mara is down 7% in the pre-market. Riot down 5. So Mara and Riot. What about Beto? So Beto could be another one that we can play here. So oh my God, Beto is down 7%. What are the 2450s on this thing? I mean, that's a double, but that's a big move for only a double. TLT, is TLT running? How is TLT coming down? Jonas, I saw that. I was like, I think Jonas is being hacked. I was like, I don't think this is Jonas. Oh, where's Antics? Let's see. Antics. Antics. That's not like you to say something like that. Let's see. Sky News. Wow, that's crazy. Did you know? Yes, Amazon is doing that stock split, so that is pretty interesting. So we got SPY here trying to move up here a little tiny bit. We got GME trying to do its thing as well. Might get a 1348 crossover here, not bad. Let's see, Amy, what are you gonna do? TLT is doing its thing over here. Where's Oxy and oil? Let's see, where's the oil? Okay, so crude is at 114.38, so it is coming up. So crude oil is at up 5.23, or WTI is up 5.16 now. Brent is up 5.8%. Natural gas is up 0.18%. So UNG is, I'm not touching UNG or X. Micron trying to run back up. Micron's trying a little bit here. A lot of things are. GME's trying. Micron's trying. Amy might make an attempt. It's down 1%, 17 cents over here. Is Husa trying out for the Olympics? Is it running? Oh, Husa back to life. Up 19 and 19.35% over here. Not bad. Oh, what's up, Trey's Mustache? How you doing, buddy? Hopefully you're having a good morning. Also, guys, if you don't mind, as you're filtered in, hitting that like button on the stream helps out a whole lot, getting some more people in here, helps out with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much. That's all I asked for. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It's been really, really, really cool. How many? Oh, you guys are crushing it so far. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Were you saying yesterday we have 15 minutes after the close to sell contracts? On SPY, yes. On SPY, you do. Oh, Amanda, member for 4 months. Thank you so much for being a member. Good morning, Vix. Let's crush these 1348s today, people. Yup, that's what we're going to do over here. LGVN is the winner this week. Flew under everyone's radar. Did LGVN ripped back up? Yeah, Longeveron came back to life, man. Interesting. All righty. So SPY's moving down a little bit here. What's oil doing? I don't know. Let's see what oil's going to do. Uranium. What's uranium going to do? Mullen, no dilution. Price target H just released today. Ooh. Okay, so Mullen down 7. If Mullen has another red day, I might throw some money at it. Could you see a gamma squeeze happening that doesn't trigger a short squeeze? No. No. Well, you can have like tiny gamma squeezes. You can see like one burst of like, all right, because you need to have the option chain set up for a big gamma squeeze. If we run through like a strike, like a price that has a bunch of options, and then there's nothing for a long period, like a lot of strikes, you could have a shark, like a big shark fin on like the 4 hour where like you see them delta hedge, and then when they stop, the buyers up here don't really keep it going, and they don't get to the next strike where they have to keep delta hedging. So then it just goes, it comes right back down. So it's possible, yes. But as you start to run, you start to see more options come in. They start delta hedging more, and that's kind of that positive feedback loop of a gamma squeeze. So SPY's coming down here. Same thing with Bitcoin, I believe. So watch things to the downside, down 1.22%. Went on a binge of your videos yesterday, trying to learn as much as I can, and they helped a ton. Yeah, awesome. I appreciate that, buddy. Did have a question though. What exactly is the TLT and okay. So TLT is like the inverse of like the 20-year treasury, but like more the 10-year. They say it's the 20-year, but it kind of fall. I just use it to follow the 10-year. Now, it's just bonds. It just tracks flow of money. So like money, if TLT starts selling off, that means people are selling out of bonds and going into stocks, most likely. But sometimes they don't. So sometimes you'll see TLT sell off and SPY sell off, which would signify just a massive flight to cash in my mind. Uh Landon, thank you so much for the super or the being a member, buddy. I appreciate that. Hey, just an FYI, if you want a great source of Ukraine updates, there's a channel called Speak the Truth. Great info. Interesting. TLT is being shorted by hedgies. TLT is being aggressively shorted right now. I mean, the couple of times in the past that they've said short TLT, it has not gone well for people. Like, hold on. Like, this is one of the times that they said the short TLT before. Where's this? This is not TLT. Sorry. That's Mullen. TLT. They said, oh, I moved this trend line. All right, this can go away. They were saying the like short TLT down here. And then it just goes boom right up. And it's on like CNBC. They've done it again a few times. They've done it a few times so far. But TLT selling off, SPY coming down a little bit here. Where's oil? Oil. Yeah, oil's coming up. Remember these down days when it starts up? Yeah. And TLT's got like, I think it's got like a 40% short interest. So, I mean, if it starts to go, I mean, I do have that strangle. I'm probably going to get out of it. I'm going to be holding it for Powell, is essentially what I'm going to hold it for. Makes more sense. Austin, thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. All right, here. Let's see. Amy's down about 19 cents. We got SPY coming down here. Where's like Micron, DraftKings, Uber, DraftKings, flat, Uber down. So watch Uber today. And then what's the other one that we like to trade? Micron. Oops, that's the wrong one. Micron. Coming down. Lazy. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. What do you think about NXE, a low short interest? Next gen energy. Is this uranium? Yeah, so this is another uranium one. It could be good, man. I mean, if they announce anything on the uranium side, like any more sanctions on Russia, like it will rip. It doesn't really matter if there's a lot of short interest in it. Like if they're gonna do like uranium sanctions and the price of uranium is gonna go up, these stocks are gonna run. It doesn't really matter what the short interest is in it. Could the short interest on it trigger a bigger move? Yes, but will the stocks still move up based on buying coming in just from like people being like, all right, time to go into uranium stocks? Absolutely, absolutely. One day, when the trading is done, we will take our gains and go. Smash the like button. Good morning, young man. Oh, that's 8. Appreciate that, buddy. All right, let's see what we got here. You coming down a little bit here. Oxy looks good this morning. If a lot of investors pull out after this, I will not be surprised. Yeah, I mean, I don't know why you would, especially if you're learning 1348. I mean, you can use that to make a boatload of money. I wouldn't use the entirety of your AMC gains because that I think would be silly. But again, we've given you guys a very, very powerful strategy and an even more powerful tool to use it. So, I mean, if you want to stay in the market, like people like to be like, how can you make money in this market when it's manipulated? It's like, it's just using the strategy. It's very, very simple. I never pull out anything for the heart. Jeez, Leo. That's crazy. You're a wild boy over here. All right, let's see what happens with Oxy today. I mean, it only needs like $1.50 to run on the money. These contracts could go nutty. Yeah, Amazon stock split. That's a decent one. A buttload of money. Yeah. USO looking fire. See, here's the thing. Oil down yesterday, Oxy rips. Oil up today, Oxy, you better rip even more, pal. SPY bounced it up a little bit here. Where's Lockheed this morning? Down? Nah, Lockheed just kind of sucks. Let's see. Quad U 1348 cross down in the pre-market, still above the 200 EMA. We got AMC 1553, when Oxy 65 plus. I mean, I really do want that. Let's see here. All right. Amy. What do we got going on here, folks? Ding, 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 ding. I got that Batman song stuck in my head at the end of the movie. That's at the end of the movie. I was really hoping Moas would happen before the complete collapse of society. Alas. Yeah, well, you know, sometimes you just gotta kind of go with it, you know? Daruma, thank you so much for the super, man. With AMC, besides being the sweet play, as nothing is for sure, would you agree that the stock is very undervalued, making it a good long-term investment to have? Yes. 100%. It's back to being a value play. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit more of like we're gonna rant a little bit here. So we'll talk a little bit about the fundamentals again. So AMC, in terms of their fundamentals as a company, with what's happening in the market right now, and the manipulation that we're seeing on a day-to-day basis, with the market freaking out and AMC continuously getting better as a company, it creates one of the best opportunities. It's like this might be a little dramatic, but it's like back when DFV was first putting out his DD on GameStop, because he's going through all of the stuff and he's like, the media is overblowing a lot of this stuff. They have a lot of cash on hand. Yeah, they've got a little bit of debt. That's fair. They can pay it down. They've restructured it. They've got this new popcorn business. The box office slate is crazy. They're like, the retail investors are not going anywhere. The short interest is really high. It's like everything is pointing to eventually it's going to reset. Because right now, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, the market is not reflecting all available information for the stock. It's not. It doesn't make any sense. So, and then people are going to be like, well, it's a squeeze play. It's not a fundamental play. Like, what are you talking about? Why are we back to, oh my God, it's a fundamental play now? No, it's always been about fundamentals. Always, always, always. Because the thing is that if the fundamentals were bad and the fundamentals did not matter, the shorts would be right. Do you know what I'm saying? If the fundamentals did not matter in this situation, its fundamentals were actually bad and they did not matter, the shorts would be right. They'd push it to zero. They can't do it. The fundamentals are not supporting that. That's the short side. So it's not going to go to zero. And if you also want to get to those dividends and stuff, well, the fundamentals then do matter. Yeah, they're going to scream debt, debt, debt all day long. Lots of companies have debt. AMC's also got a lot of assets, lots of cash on hand. They can do a lot with that. New theater acquisitions generate more revenue, do new business opportunities. In my opinion, I've said this for a long period of time. I think this is going to take a while to play out. And then people are going to be like, well, it doesn't help us with the squeeze side of it. It's not his fucking job. It's not his job. His job is to literally, okay, so you could say generate shareholder value. Cool. It's not on your time frame, though. That's the thing you got to think about here. It's like it happens when it happens. Like, he's not thinking about this for like a 1 year, 2 year thing. He's thinking about this for the next 50 years after he's no longer CEO. That's what makes him, in my opinion, a good CEO with all those offerings. I mean, think about it. Like, yeah, it sucked. It kind of limited where we were. But again, the reason why we ripped was also because of the closing of the offering. So if we didn't have the offering to begin with, we probably wouldn't have ran. Cool. Give and take, positives and negatives to every situation. The one on June, I think it was June 3rd, that didn't help. That one didn't help. But again, if AMC was able to just like raise a bunch of money, which they did, and start paying off debt, restructure everything, that's good for the long-term aspects of the company. I know a lot of people were thinking that this was going to be like, oh, quick, in and out, 6 months at the most. Then we squeeze, we're good to go. It's not what it's going to be. Sometimes investments take years to play out for you to be right. Years. It could be. I mean, you got to be willing to do that. And that's one of the reasons why we brought you guys 1348. So like in the meantime, however long it takes, one, you can make more money on the side to do whatever you want with, or you can buy more AMC if you want to, or GME, or any one of these other stocks. A squeeze is a result of short covering due to good company fundamentals. Yep. Team, I briefly mentioned that ideas are in the works for shareholders paying off AMC debt. Do you have any thoughts? Yeah. If they're going to do an NFT, I've heard the NFT idea floating around. We could do it. It's non-dilutive. It'd be pretty interesting. They could do their crypto coin too, which a lot of people have said that's stupid. No, it's to pay off the debt. And I think anything that can help pay off AMC's debt is a good thing because that's kind of the last nail in the coffin for the short thesis because you can see giant box office numbers, really good revenue numbers for AMC, and these shorts are still going to kind of hammer out the point that they have too much debt. They're over leveraged. I disagree. I think they're in a good spot right now. I think they could easily continue, especially with the box office numbers coming out, pay off more debt. You can do it. Lou has officially lost his mind. Not official. I mean, officially, that was a while ago. But how much does it cost to create an NFT? However much you pay the designers. I mean, gas fees, yeah, but like when you're selling them, the fundamentals simply do not support the short position. Exactly. That's why it's like everybody that's like it's over. It's like you don't know what you're talking about. They just don't know. It would be a win in my book. Yeah. Let's see. Pay off the debt and they'll find another reason. They're gonna have to fish for it, man. They'd have to fish for it. They'd have to really try hard to put something out like that. Like, I don't know if they'd be able to do it. Could you explain when it could happen squeeze with Ortex chart data? I'm not sure what you mean there. We don't know when it could squeeze. Do not listen to Louis has turned full shill. Told ya. You came in completely uneducated about the market, being told it was going to squeeze soon. After a year, I'm grateful for the knowledge. All worth it. Exactly, Thomas. Let's see here. SPY still coming down. Let's see. U's coming back up a little bit. Where's Oxy? Oxy, it's looking all right over here. Lucid CEO sold 25% of his shares. Yeah, was it options vesting though? See, it depends. Like Lucid's doing weird stuff. Wow, this looks like VIX yesterday. Just like rip, tip tap, tip tap, tip tap, tip tap, short down. Like that's crazy. Any more news on Quad U? No, not yet. But we'll see what happens with it today. I mean, if nothing starts to come out and we don't see a big move, I'll sell the calls on it. Luckily, I'm still green on the AMC position, so don't mind seeing this tasty dip lately. Yeah. Jim, fair, buddy. Fair. Check NTRA. Is that uranium or what is this? Daytera? I mean, this is a reversion right here. So this is a 32% red day followed by a bounce the next day. What is this though? This isn't something that I would touch. Just it looks like one of those mean reversion plays where it just tanks and then just bounces. So I mean, this is a nice little V right here. It does do it in the market hours and then comes back up. I don't know if there's any crazy news on it though. Let's see. Where's okay, oil still up. What is this heavy call interest on the $85 strike? Can you explain? Which expiration date, Ed? Which expiration date? Let's see. Yeah, also for all you guys filtering in here, if you don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It's really helped out a whole lot. Thank you guys. Which strike are you talking about? Bought a strangle on UVXY 2 days ago. Printed my puts on the SPY gap up yesterday. Looks like I might get out of the calls green today. There you go, man. I don't see anywhere in Webull paper trading that can play with options, just stocks. Yeah, Rhode Island, you can't paper trade on Webull with options. You can paper trade with shares. You can paper trade options on TD, Thinkorswim, March 20th. There is no March 20th. I'm guessing March 18th is probably what you're going for. God damn it. This is so dumb. This is so dumb. People are YOLOing. This is silly. Like having this amount of open interest here is stupid. This is not helping anybody. If all of this money, like these contracts were not always worth 2 pennies. If all of this money, when these contracts were more expensive, just came in like here, we'd have gamma squeeze potential every single month. Now we don't really. Like there's a little bit at 16. There's a decent amount at 20. But then what? Nothing until we get to 30, and then nothing till we like it's just not there. It's all at 895. It's trying to climb this is what it is. It's trying to go up a flight of stairs, but only the last stair is there. You cannot get to that stair. You need all of the stairs to come in for a gamma squeeze. But yeah, that's the March 18th expiration date. Careful with the leg. We almost got a free ankle. Yeah. Hello, kid. CPI was a nothing burger. We need to see next month when oil prices account for everything will be down. Oh, yeah. It's going to go wild next month. CPI is going to go crazy next month. All right. Amy coming down a little bit here. SPY trying to make its way back up here. Oxy's up 1.22%. Let's see what uranium. I mean, you could just see a giant flight into uranium stocks today just on this expectation that because everybody's talking about it. That's the thing. We got the uranium play yesterday on this candle, or this candle, I believe it was. Somewhere in this is where we got the uranium play. So right around 9:45. So we're still up a decent amount. I mean, these contracts are going to open up most likely pretty green right now, up another percent. This thing was up. It hit a high in the after hours yesterday of 1019. So this thing's got some potential if it starts to run and people start bidding it up on the expectation that there's going to be these uranium sanctions. You have $22 cost for next month for AMC, but it has gone really red. Yeah, AMC options, that's the one thing. Like, if you put money into AMC options, you have to be completely fine with those expiring completely worthless every single time. And you also have to consider how that money you're putting in is going to affect the market maker and the pricing because it does affect. Like that's why when people say like options are stupid, it's like no, you're the stupid one here. Like options are very important in setting up a gamma squeeze. If you see all of the options just at 95 or 145, it's like what I just said earlier, where you're trying to climb a set of stairs, but literally the only stair step that exists is the last one way the hell up there. How are you going to get to? How are you going to get all the way up there if there's no stair steps? What's the ticker for that? The uranium one? It's for you. So you. Let's see. Amy flickering. Oxy. I think Oxy could be good today, man. It was pretty volatile yesterday. Sold off a little bit in the morning and then just went boom. CrowdStrike was earnings. They have earnings. 11% in the after hours. What were they pricing in? A shitload. 189. Yeah, these were expensive. Unless you've got a lot of money to play with, CrowdStrike earnings was too expensive. When did I start trading and investing? Investing when I was 18, trading when I was like 20. So like 2 years. Ada AI, I have not seen your message. That's the first message I've seen from you today. Where are you? I don't see you saying anything over here, buddy. So I have not seen your message. So if you have a question, just ask. I just didn't see your message, buddy. Sometimes that happens. Option chain in July is crazy for Amy? I don't think so. Where? How is it crazy? Where? Nothing. Little bit at 14. Nothing here. There's literally nothing until you get to like 50. The option chain is not crazy for AMC in July. There's nothing here. What up, SUV? Smashed the like 5 times. Appreciate that, man. I think it's messed up. There's less time to trade during the day than yeah. Does it matter where you buy your shares from? I saw some dude get braided on Twitter because he's buying a shit ton of AMC on Webull and Robinhood. Well, those are gonna be from the payment for order flow brokers, and then you're gonna see like a bunch of so those are gonna get sent right to the market maker. They're gonna get internalized. It's gonna get limit price discovery. You're not gonna get best execution, so it's not really gonna help us a whole lot. If you want your orders to go directly to the exchange, then yes, you can directly route your orders with Fidelity and TD, and I think E-Trade as well. Has anyone seen the question or am I just crazy? I don't see the question, buddy. I don't see it. Set up alerts to show what stairs are missing from our staircase. No, it's very simple. It's very simple. You need at the money and in the money options and a ramp. So you just need like every single strike or every big strike in the money, at the money. You can have the way out of the money ones. We don't need them to set up now. That's the thing. Like, people like to get those deeper out of the money ones. Why not just get them later when we start to run? Like, just get the YOLOs when we start to really run, because then you already have set up the gamma in the thing. So if you did that, then you'd set up a way where like you have somewhere where you want to go, but now you only have the first 3 steps. But every single time you go up, you're building the stairs up. So you can end up getting the same effect. It's just silly that the options are like way out there right now. And it's just like, all right, well, that's not going to help us at all. Just send it to Twitter, check DM, YouTube being dumb, I guess. Yeah, I just didn't see it, man. What about buying an AMC share and use the amount of that share to pay down debt? Then like crypto, send that share to burn account to lower the float. You would have to do it with crypto, or you'd have to do a direct offering, A to AI. Which, I mean, the offering idea right now is interesting, but people probably don't get it yet, so we'll see. Initial jobless claims week ended March 227,000 versus 217,000 expected, and an upwardly revised 216,000 the prior week. AMD puts, if I'm going to do anything like that, I'll probably go with Micron instead. So AMD is down 2.3% over here. Micron down 1.96. Let's see. SPY's coming down a little bit here. We got 19 minutes until market open, people. Let's see what we got. That doesn't look bad. Oxy, how's this looking? Oxy selling off here a little bit. John, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Do you set up a stop loss on most day trades? Also, do you try and wait a bit after market opens before you start trading? John, I try. Doesn't usually work out like that though, because I typically like to just get small plays early. But stop loss, it's just a mental stop loss for me. I just watch it because I'm here anyway. I'm like, all right, well, I don't want to mess around with market orders, so I'll literally just put I'll just watch it and just be like, all right, it hits the stop, then I start messing around with trying to get the order filled. Where dilution was bad, but now good, because there's a different theory behind why dilute. Okay, so here's in short what the theory is. Very, very short. We're not going to do it again because everybody was like yelling last time I did it. So everybody's operating under the premise that there's naked shorts and synthetic shares out there. They can't close them out though, because what if we were right, more right than we ever thought, where we've bought everything and held everything? So if we want to buy, they can synthetically short to us, but if they need to buy, the market makers and the shorts need to buy to close out those synthetics, then they can't, because nobody's able to do that for them. So what happens is that it's already diluted. So when you do an offering, it creates a lot of buying pressure, but it's closing out those shares. But so let's say here that there's 500 million shares, but there's 1 billion extra shares that shouldn't be out there. So there's 1.5 billion. Stocks trading at 10 should be at 30. Let's just say, for example, this is just an example. This does not have anything to do with AMC, but you did a 500 million share offering. You get up to 1 billion real shares. You take out those 500, that extra 500 million, the stock price doubles after the offering is closed because it rebalances it. That's kind of the theory, because they're closing out some of those short exempts, and then it triggers a massive run. Let's see here. Keith, dude, thank you so much for that big super. I appreciate that, my man. Bought 16 AMC calls in the money at the time 2 weeks ago, expiring tomorrow. I would have thought great earnings plus Batman and positive move attendance would have pushed the price up. Nope. Now I eat theta. It happens, man. It happens. Let's see. Luke, thank you so much for the frozen screen. I'm good over here. Oh, I think I came back. Luke, thank you so much for this becoming a member, buddy. I really appreciate that. Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for all your support each and every day, guys. Luke, welcome to the club, man. I appreciate that. CPIs for February, which is before the energy prices went wild. Yeah, exactly. Increase the supply and demand by the same amount and no change. Sort of. It's like going from -1 to 0. It's going from like 0. It's going from like unnecessary dilution to like closing out some of that dilution with more shit. It's like that, because everybody's going to say dilution, but like technically, if we're completely right, it's not dilutive. It's weird. Doesn't that go against the whole point of holding the shares when they were forced to cover? Isn't that like a pressure valve release for them? This is more talking about market makers. This is more the market maker side. This isn't shorts, because shorts can get margin calls and they're gonna have to buy regardless. This is for the market makers who have created all these shares, and then they get so technically what would happen is you would see the short exempts and stuff, all that nonsense, the FTDs start to get covered. Now, this doesn't have anything to do with hedge fund shorting. This is kind of separate. So it has to do with market makers. So when the market makers close out their position, it causes the price to go. Then the shorts get clapped. And then you also see the option chain start to run up. So it's like an initial catalyst to get the shorts to cover, if that makes sense. It all has to do with market making. Let's see. Hibbity hubla. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. 15 minutes until market open. Here we go, people. So, what are we down? 1% over here. Oxy down a little bit here. Where's oil? Yeah, oil's coming down a little bit here. I don't know. We'll see what happens today with this. Uranium. What do we got here? Coming down a little bit here. All righty. Let's see what happens with market open with some of these commodity stocks. Then we're going to be watching like DraftKings, Uber, Micron, a lot of stuff like that. Charge point. Charge point. Ooh, it's coming up here. I mean, maybe we'll trade more charge point. I am out of my the whole charge point position. Have you been messing around with the 920 at all? Yeah, I did it 2 days ago on the SPY trades that I had. It worked really well. I was using it on the 3-minute. So I was getting in really early on some of those. Any ideas on big moves today? I need to get 1348 play today. I need to buy a new bed. We'll see. We need news. We need news. Like a news, like our uranium news or something like that. CPI, do you think the SPY will move? It did, and then it shark fin, so it didn't really like it. It was like, oh, I think I like this, and then I was like, no, I actually hate this. It's not a way out, Doyle. It's not a way out. It's not really a way out, buddy. It's not. It's a way to get. Freaking mouse. Why are we watching Uber? Because it moves big. It just moves. You need to learn it. Only have 1 day off a week, so can't catch every stream. Thanks, brother. Hayden, yeah, 1348 is very powerful. Very, very powerful. All right, so we got 13 minutes until market opens, people. With the 920, are you still using the 200? Yeah. Yeah, I am. On the day that I was using it, I didn't, just because I was playing the trend with SPY. It was more momentum. Use the 9, 13, 20, 30, 48, 200 something should cross. Don't have them all on your one chart, dude. I almost put 920 on these charts here, and I was like, no, not doing that. So I have 920 on the trading view. That's what it is. So I don't look at it all the time. So technically, it's a way out for the market maker. It's not a way out because they're gonna do it again, Doyle. That's the thing. It's not a way out because we know they will do it again. They have to do it again. It's a way to trigger a price run up. Because so let's say here that there's 100 million shares that are out there that they cannot close out. So they close them out. But then it decreases the real flow comes down, the price starts to go. Then what happens? This is the thing that people aren't getting here. Then what happens? Well, institutions buy, retail buys, and the FOMO rally starts and the gamma starts to go. So now the market maker has to buy more shares again to hedge because of all the options getting bought. Then they have to take the other side of the trade when retail is coming again. So you give them a way to like close out these price runs, but then they just do it again. So then that can create like that stair step of going up. That's kind of where that's kind of what we're looking at there. You selling off again? Yeah, I mean, I have a strangle on it, so let's see what happens here. Oh no, if it wants to tank, let it tank. If it wants to rip, let it rip. That's fine with me. I mean, I'm down for it to go either way. And if they don't, what do you mean if they don't? They will. They have to. It's illegal for them not to. They will go out of business if they don't. So you're saying if shares are issues, they disappear when they balance the fake shares. Yes, because technically it's balancing off stuff that doesn't exist anyway. But then you're always going to see the number. This is how many shares are actually out there. But is it though? It's like a weird thing that it's just a theory. Like that's what it is. It's just a theory that I'm trying to go through in my head. That I'm like, all right, this makes a lot of sense. The one thing that doesn't make a lot of sense though is why is the short exempt volume and the FTD volume not as high right now? X, don't you tempt me on steel. too risky. I mean, technically, there's no risk. If you think about it, there's 0 risk. Price goes down a little bit. Cool. It's at 15 right now, 15.50. There's no risk. Then the company gets more money. Cool. What's the difference between having the stock at 40 or the stock at 15 if we're holding for a squeeze? Nothing. Difference is nothing. It's fine with me. I'm fine with holding this forever. That's how I've set up my position. Fine with holding it forever. Might as well try something. That's what I'm saying. It doesn't have to be that. It's like, well, we might as well come together and think of something that like this could really work and then try to implement it. Because right now we're just like, all right, well, we're kind of putting the power in the short's hands to just cover and like what they think of the company. That's how I view it. SPY looks weak today. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look like it wants to have any fun. Has Ortex ever explained how we go from 125 to 129 million shares on loan with utilization supposedly at 100% for weeks? No, but I've been saying for a while that the 100% utilization is not real. So that starts to make a little bit sense. You'll never vote in favor of dilution. So you didn't really listen to what I said, though. It's possible that it's not dilutive at all. It actually has the opposite effect. But that's fine. Like everybody's going to have their own different opinion on it. It's just if you're going to research it and kind of see how it could potentially work. That's all it is. It's just research it, see what you think. And then at the end of the day, the shareholders are going to get to decide. How is CPI? Right at expectations. I step away for a few minutes and you let Oxy drop. Did Oxy drop? Oh, this is you. I mean, oil's coming down a little bit here. But remember what happened yesterday. Oil tanked, Oxy ripped. So we'll see. We rally after every offering. Yeah, we need a larger catalyst. What if that is the catalyst, though? What if it is? And it's been that the whole time. Like, it's weird. I'm just trying to go through it in my head. Like, all right, we've been here for a while. It's like, what are we doing? All right, so Amy trying to pop up a little bit here, down 13 cents. And there's other ways to do it, too. If it's really just about paying off debt, we could try to do it through, like, NFTs and a crypto coin. We could do that, too. So it depends. 100% is 100% means there aren't more to borrow. It's wrong, though. It's not 100%. They're saying it is, but I think it's wrong. Ortex only gets 80% of the data. They don't get it all. That's true. And you can't have all of these weird like meme basket stocks that just go like 80% usually 100 like right away. You're like, all right, that's nonsense. Something's going on there. Those SPY puts should be looking good this morning. I don't have SPY puts, but I mean, hopefully you guys do, you know? Did they announce inflation or unemployment stats today? Yes, both of them. Faster AMC pays off debt, the better position we are in for a squeeze. Thomas, I agree. Let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the way in helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. We got 8 minutes until market open, everybody. Let's do this thing. Neil looking good. They're listing in Hong Kong. Oh, hold on. Secondary listing. I mean, they're a little shark fin over here. Little bit shark finny. Let's see what we got. It's probably a secondary listing in Hong Kong, I think is what people are talking about. Let's check the news. Begins trading in the stock exchange of Hong Kong. Yep. So secondary listing over there. Let's see. What's the ticker for oil? There's a lot of them. So you can do Oxy, you can do USO, you can do Exxon, you can do a lot of different things. I'm about to cross up on the 1 minute. Is natural gas running? Natural gas is coming up a little bit here. Bing bong. The utilization is wrong. Yeah. Can we get an Ortex, please? AMC and GME and Mullen? Yes, you can. All right. So Amy Ortex over here. Let's see what they've done on this thing. All right. 283,000 borrowed shares. We got 20.76% estimated short interest on this thing. 1.64% average cost to borrow. 20.76% estimated short interest, if I haven't already said it. And then we have, for GME over here, let's see. 3% average cost to borrow. We got 19.92% estimated short interest. 91,000 shares borrowed today. And then Mullen, you were looking at over here. Mullen. Just mulling around. All right. Whoa. 786,000 shares borrowed. 91.33% utilization, 8.28% average cost to borrow, 17.68% estimated short interest. That's what we got. All right, let's see here. Oh, here we go. 5 minutes until market open, people. Let's get ready. So, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. It helps out getting some more people in here. Let's see. We got Amy down 12 cents. Oxy trying. See how uranium's going to be. It's down a little bit in the pre-market over here. Let's see. NXE. Yeah, NXE was the other one that you guys were talking about. This thing is still up. This NXE one, this uranium one is still green. They're buying the dip on oil and SPY pits are going to print. Let this be known. All right, maybe. My oxys then. Print it. They're sort of buying the dip on oil. Like it's up 3.38%. Brent's up 4.37. Like, let's see. Amy coming down a little here. Oxy doing its thing. Whoa! Trey's mustache, dude. Thank you so much for the big super, man. You didn't have to do that. Just wanted to show my appreciation. You actually spent a lot of time helping me and are sympathetic to my negative account. Thanks for all you do. Trey's mustache. Anytime, man. Dude, thank you. I really appreciate that. Did Oxy just cross down? Yeah. Well, it's still above the 200 EMA on the 5 minute. So, I mean, it's still fine. Remember what happened with Oxy yesterday? Like, look at this. Ready? Down, 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 down. Moon mission. Like, so let's see what happens with it today. What's the play? I don't know yet. Let's see what happens at market open. Mullen running in pre-market. I thought it was down a little bit. Is it running back up? Mullen trying. Amy, a nice little candle here. We got 4 minutes to go, people. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, Amy. Get back into the green. SPY, do your thing here. Anybody speaking today? I don't think so, no. SPY will break 400 if no good news today. I don't know about that. Hit the gym and chicken in the smoker. Let's do this. Woohoo! Let's go. All right, let's see. Energy fuels. Oh, here comes uranium with a little move. I already have the quad U strangle. So, hoping for the best, man. AMC will touch 20 today, says investment news. Hey, man, that would be ankles. You would get ankles. CVX just jumped like $2. No, it didn't. Oh, it did. CVX is coming up. Exxon, what's Exxon doing? Exxon trying as well. Let's see. Oxy. Not yet. Not yet. All right, let's see what we get over here. Drafting close to crossing out the gate, maybe. I don't know. I don't like these out of the gate crosses. They freak me out. Like, oh, wow, DraftKings, big boom here. I mean, it did this yesterday too, and then got slapped in the face, I think. Yeah, it did this right here. Same candle, just boom, and then knocked down. Feel so up after missed earnings. Interesting. You so dipping though? Well, oil is at 112.60. So it's up, like WTI is up 3.6. Brent is up 4.6. So let's see what happens with it. What's the CPI numbers? Right at expectation, 7.9%. Oh, here comes quad U. They're not lying. They're reporting the data that they're getting, and their data is sucking. Like, that's kind of what it is. All right, here, people. Let's see what we're gonna get. All right, we got 1 minute to go. Call out the crosses. You guys know what to do. And again, if you want to learn the strategy and get access to those free alerts for those next 2 days, today and tomorrow, make sure you guys click that link in the top of the chat over here or the first link in the description. Sign up to the free part of the Discord. After this week, if you want to be in there, it's going to be a small fee to be in that free chat. You're also going to get daily. So you're going to get like daily alerts and the alerts on the 5 stocks in that lower tier. So we have something for you, but it's like the training wheel section for before you want to come into the big boys with premium. How bad was CPI? It wasn't bad. It was right at expectations. It was 7.9. We're about to get a ding ding here, people. Here we go. Here we go. Think Oxy's a fake cross down? Well, it's above the 200 EMA, so I would say yes. Ooh, Amy pop. Spy trying here. Where's quad U? Ooh, ding, ding, ding. Market is open. GME getting a little pop here. Let's see. AMC doing his thing. Spy. Come on, Amy. Okay. Flickering. Being an a-hole. These are weird candles coming in over here. Let's see. U's getting a little action over here. Lift. Doom. Oh, boy. Your live stream is not popping up on YouTube. Actually, I had to search for it. Okay. Guys, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream. YouTube's messing with us again. Thank you guys so much for all the support and those of you guys who found it today. I appreciate that a whole lot. Let's see here. So, here comes Quad U coming up. That's not bad. Oxy, how are we doing over here? Oxy flickering. Let's see. Amy looking all right. Micron, take a look at this. What was Micron doing? Micron, big reds over here. No cross, though. Spy trying. Small fee and a free chat. Well, it's free for these 2 weeks. It's a free trial, and then we cut it. So you guys can get a little taste of it. That's what I said. Quad U flickering around here a little bit. How's this strangle doing? 100%? Interesting. All right. Exxon selling off a little here. Oxy, hold on. Ooh, wow. U's moving here. Jacob, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Thoughts on IMPP? I mean, it's been running, hasn't it? Yeah, this thing's good, but I'd be careful with it. It's made a giant run. If oil starts to sell off a little bit, it's gonna get slapped, I think. Like yesterday. I mean, it wasn't that bad yesterday. Amy coming down now, down about 30 cents. Spy getting a candle to the downside over here. Fake out with Oxy. Oxy, nice candle right here. There we go. Where's oil? 113. Glad you swung your snap puts. There you go, man. All right. So GME coming down pretty hard over here. Where's quad U? Is this still ripping? Yeah. So U is ripping up here, up 4%. That's not bad. The strangle. Okay. So the call side is up 54% right now. That's not bad. The Oxy call side is coming back to life on the strangle. It needs to go, though. It needs to really go. Oxy, it's your time to shine, pal. Micron falling off a cliff? It is, but there's no cross on it. That's the thing. Micron's coming down really hard. I just can't do anything with it because there's no cross. Steel breaking necks? I don't want it. I really do not want steel. I'd buy puts on it just because. But I'm not going to. Spy flickering. Uranium looking good. Oxy, how are we doing over here? Here she goes. Goldman's out of Russia. I saw that. Unlimited selling on AMC. I mean, that's what happens when you have 20 million shares that they have to use. More than 20 million shares. Oh, God. All right. Hold on. I'll be right back. My bad, people. My bad. That was an aggressive one over here. That was aggressive. That was very aggressive. Lucid crosstown at open. Spy's coming back up here. Oxy flickering. Quad U, how's this doing? Holding. I'm like hurt my head, dude. Yeah, Lucid did cross down at open. I don't know if I want to touch anything yet. I'll wait. I'll wait on stuff. Long on short. So unprofessional. Sometimes you got to sneeze, bro. All right, everybody. Make sure you guys. Oh no, you didn't. How's Lockheed? I mean, the option that I have for next week is done though right now. Why is this? Oh, Lockheed's ripping right now. Nice, interesting. Let's see if this comes back to life. Lucid down. Oxy. It's doing all right. Wants to get that cross at open. Quad U. How's this looking? There it is. Not bad. Let's see. RTX cross. Yeah, that wasn't. Those like the shark fin. Spy's coming back up a little bit here. Where's oil? 113 flat. Let's see what we got. UEC. Oh, this thing's another uranium one. Uber. Taco Bell trip. Yeah. Uber wants to come down here. Okay. Check charge point. Little shark fin over here. A little bit of a shark fin. Oh, quad U spike. Nope. I mean, it's coming down now. Upstart ripping. Yep. 1348 cross on this thing. It's going to be expensive, though. Let's see. It's going to be expensive. That's too expensive. No, thank you. You were down 60% yesterday on Micron puts, still down this morning, but the IB ripped at market open, stole it for a profit of 22%. Thanks. Attaboy. There you go. Oxy doing all right. Let's see here. SEI? No. All right, Oxy. Uroy, I think that's another uranium one. Let's see here. What do we got? What do we have here, folks? Amy, 1540 over here. Spy flickering around. What do we got? All right. Let's see. Charles, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Watch 9. Breaching Bollinger Bands, EMA 1348 on the 5-minute. Earnings, trend lines, meeting tomorrow. After hours, first gamma list, 9 short squeeze list. Oh, interesting. Charles, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Isn't 9 a uranium one? I think 9 is a uranium one. Pretty sure. No, water. Yeah, I don't think this is uranium. I don't think so. Oh, Spy coming down. Amy coming down. Quad U. Ooh, Quad U. Big reds over here. No fun. X Moon? No. Stop. Don't you tempt me with this. No. Let's see. Where do you see Amazon going? Up 115% for a call I held overnight. I mean, it can still run for like the next couple of days after this split news because people are going to want to come into it. Amy, 1348 cross down here below the 200 EMA. Watch out below. Oh, CEI. Again, I've said with CEI, I would buy shares and puts is what I would do. That's what I would do with CEI over there. All right. Oxy just kind of gearing up for a move, I think. Yeah, 113 flat on WTI. X going to give it to you? Yeah, I'm not touching it. Close the Claude U. I'm holding it. All right, let's see what we got here. I think CEI has hurt him. No, it's just not worth it to trade options on it. It's not for me. It doesn't make any sense to trade options on it. Firm about to cross? Which way? Cross. It looks like it wants to cross up. What about Para and Disco? What are these doing? Para looks like it wants to try here. Where's Micron? Wow, Micron just wants to do nothing but sell right now. Interesting. All righty. DraftKings, Uber. Then Uber was selling hard earlier. Yeah, Uber's coming back down. CVX down. Ooh, CVX coming up. Amy bouncing a little here. Wow, CVX is coming up, not CVS. Oxy, I think, is doing a lot of the similar things that it likes to do. It's just kind of gearing up, waiting for it to just get a couple of big boom moves. Remember yesterday, all of a sudden, it just went on an absolute freaking moon mission, a firm head fake. Yeah, I'm not touching UNG. I mean, natural gas is up a little bit today. It likes to shark fin, and it's weird. Spy's moving down here. What's happening with Apple? Apple selling hard. All right, man. It looks like things are starting to move down today. Where's Micron? There's a little bounce there. Fuel cell cross up. Yeah, well, sort of. It didn't. It crossed in the pre-market, then got above this 200 EMA. It's up 8-9% over here. That's not bad. It's just too much. Is it an option that they could run AMC back to 75, putting everyone in the green, then it's over? If they had that much control, they would put it to 0 first. SPY trying to bounce back up a little bit here. Oh, CY. Ooh, Oxy red candles. Quad U. Let's see. Netflix cross up. I don't really like Netflix. Remember, you guys saw me trade Netflix last Friday, and it was like I was up 100%. Then 30 seconds later, I was up 10%. I was like, this is stupid. Amy's coming down a little here. 1533. 130% on Roku puts. There you go. Where's oil? Oil selling off a little. Where's CVX? Red candles. Yeah, red candle here. Amy selling off. Am I right that your brother is investing? Dude, he's held Oxy forever. If yes, his position is printing. I don't know what his average is, but I mean, he's probably doing good. I was telling him, I was like, hey, man, like with oil doing this, it's probably not smart to keep holding this. Like, I'm going to trade the nuts out of it all the time. Thoughts on Lose FUD? He came out with that we all own synthetics and they got all the real shares. Honestly, he can with his if you want to have an aneurysm and learn nothing about the market and then just think that you're hearing things from somebody that knows what they're doing but actually has no idea, go listen to him. That's what I have to say about that. If you ever come to Nashville, you can come train jujitsu with me for free. Skylar, dude, 100%. I will definitely do that. All right, SPY flickering. Oxy coming down a little here. What's Lockheed doing? Lockheed Sharkfin. Exxon crossed down. Let's see here. How do you join the Discord? The link is in the top of the chat over here. You get those free alerts for like the next 2 days. I mean, we've been saying it for like 2 weeks. After this week is up though, it's going to cost a small fee to get in that training wheel section every single month. But again, you shouldn't really be in there for very long. You should learn the strategy. And then if you want to implement it, the premium is going to get, so essentially it's like we teach you the strategy and then we just give you a really powerful tool to make it so much easier to find everything. So Exxon's coming down here. Let's see what's going to happen with Oxy. Oxy was showing a lot of strength yesterday, but Oxy is getting hammered. Where's Quad U? Quad U getting slapped. Rivian tanking. Rivian selling. Watch out, STV throwing hands. Nobody's throwing hands in jujitsu unless you're doing like combat jujitsu and you're slapping people, which I think is silly, but it's fine. People can do what they want. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream on your way in. Helps out a whole lot. Getting some more people in here. Let's see what we're gonna get today. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Rivian had that bad news. Oh, they did. I don't know. I haven't taken any trades yet today. Let's see. Are we headed down to 1460 again? It could be. I mean, what's the deal with that? It's like, all right, you want to we head down there. It's probably gonna rip back up. CCJ might be a good uranium play. Yeah, I mean, Quad U is selling off here, which is fine. Oil's coming down 111.38. Rivian has earnings today too. After hours. Ooh. Let's see. 60% on Uber puts. There you go. It's coming up. It might. I mean, it's probably blowing through that 13 on the one. It's hanging right around that 13 EMA on the 1 minute over here. Holy Netflix. Micron didn't cross down. But it is selling. Oh, that's on the 1 minute. Micron, Jesus. Netflix, shark fin, Holy Netflix. Holy Netflix. Holy Netflix. I mean, I might get something on this. Hold on. The hell is this? This looks like news. All right, let's see what happens with this. What the hell, Netflix? What the hell is going on with Netflix? Moon mission over here, man. I don't know. I don't see any news on it. Warner Group suspending operations in Russia. I don't see anything else on this Netflix move. That's a giant move here on Netflix, though. Netflix raises prices in the UK and Ireland. Oh, I saw that. Let's see. It's a slower mover, but oh, all right. I'm up 10%, 17%. Let's see. They're raising prices. Yeah. All right. Let's see what happens with these Netflixes over here. This thing's flickering. Spy down. Let's see. Let's see. Netflix shark fin. It could. It could. I'm probably going to sell these like really quick. Like I'll sell one very soon. If it starts to head back up again, I'll sell one. AMC 40-cent bounce. Oh, here. Let me see what I can sell these for. Oh, they're trying to steal from me over here. Let me see if I can get an order filled. Oh, the spreads are wild. Neo dropping crazy. Is it? Neo coming down. Spy moving down. CVX is mooning. There you go. The spreads on this are stupid. I did say I never wanted to trade Netflix, but here we are. Amy booming. Yeah, Amy's getting a nice little pop here. I might try to steal these Netflixes really quick. Let's see. I'm going to fill this. Spy flicker in here. Let's see. IRNT. Interesting. All right. I wanted those Micron puts. Where's Micron going? Is it still selling? A little bit here. Netflix. Apple selling off? Yeah, Spy's coming down a little here. I mean, Netflix, giant candle here. I don't know about this. This is interesting. Green Amy. Oh, there she goes. Looking good over here, folks. Amy new highs. Yep, yep, yep. I like to see that. All right, let's see what we get over here with Netflix. Run, Amy, run. Come on. All right, Netflix just flickering. Oxy cross down. That's no fun. All right, let's see. Price range on Netflix as of March. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I saw too. I didn't see any news come through on the like completely come through yet though, so I might hold this for a minute. Lou candles. Come on, Amy, go. Exxon cross down 2. Oh boy. Where's oil right now? 111.95 flickering. Netflix coming down. Little shark fin here for a minute. Let's see. Ooh, Netflix. Shark fin. Shark fin. All right, Amy, SPY flickering. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Is it March 3rd today? No. A firm ripping. Did it finally go? Not really. SPY trying here. Netflix, no. No, Netflix. What have you done? Is it coming down to test this 13 on the 1 minute? Yeah. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. UEC is ripping. Let's check quad U. There it goes. Quad U. The quad U looks good. Look at this thing coming up here. Let's see. Can you look at Marathon Oil? It looks like it's double top of the 5 minute. Yeah. What's this? Marathon Oil. MRO. Marathon Oil. That's not really a double top. It's just like a top. And it just came right back down. SPY down. Micron. Yeah, Micron selling here. How much is this down? No. Fuck that. Netflix shark fin. Shark fin. Let's see. Yeah, I've seen LGVN today. It looked good. Quad U about to cross. There we go. Walmart cross up. Is Walmart going to go on an absolute moon mission again? Oh, man. Walmart could be decent here. Yeah, Walmart crossed up. That's not bad. Shark fin. Yeah, big shark fin on this one. Oh, no. Let's see. Apple tanking. Yeah, Apple down pretty big here. SPY's trying to move back up. X. Did X shark fin on you? No, X is ripping, but I am not touching that. That is the one thing I will not touch. I will not be touching X. That is no. Charge point crossing down. Yeah. SPY little pop. Are you all right? Where's Oxy? Oh, Oxy, you're just being an a-hole. Let's see. Right with you. X burned me the other day. I'm not touching any X anymore. Amy coming down SPY, trying to come back up here. Lambo canceled. Are you telling us or yourself that you won't touch X? Both. I'm saying both. All right, here. So 1557 on AMC over here. If you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see what we got over here. All righty. Let's see what we got. So you'll do Oxys, but not X? Yes. Very, very much so. Yes. All right. Let's see what we got. So I'm just watching today, trying to trade 13.8 tomorrow on Riot 5 minute. If it crosses by a call strike closest to where it crossed, in the money or out the money call. Typically in the just like slightly out of the money is what I would do. Like basically at the money. USO cross down. Interesting. Justin, you ask that every single day. I told you, if you keep asking that, I'm going to ban you. Stop. Fuel cell ripping in a big bull flag. Yeah, this thing is ripping here. Yeah. SPY trying to move here. Minute you're addicted to oxys. I mean, yeah, maybe. Let's see. Insane negative beta today on Amy. Yeah. Oh, here comes the SPY. All right. You've been in meetings all morning and only just popping in. What's the inflation data? It was 7.9%. So AMC over here, 1553. Walmart. Is Walmart actually going? If Walmart's going to go again. Yeah, Walmart's going again. So I don't know. I mean, last time it was crazy. Last time Walmart was ridiculous. Bank of America. Bach. Running up nicely here. Bank of America's running up nicely. 7.9%. Yeah. Let's see. There goes Quad Ute. Good in a good way. Oh, there she goes. Netflix, how are you doing? Let's see. Oxy. Oh, Oxy candle. There we go. Come on, SPY. Do your thing. 1348 cross. Get into this box over here. Yeah, Oxy looking good. Yeah, Oxy big candle right here. Let's see if it's going to start to do the thing that it likes to do and just go and just run. Let's see. Ethereum's going. Eater. Yeah. A lot of things are starting to go here today. I mean, where's that Walmart that I was looking at? Walmart, and then what was the other one? Walmart, and then Bank of America. Bank of America was the other one that we looked at. Yeah, Bank of America looking good on this cross. Quad U's looking good. SPY, here she comes. Netflix. Oh, there we go. Come on. No more shark fins, Netflix. None of this nonsense. Let's see here. Yeah, SPY's looking all right here. Let's see if it can break this 200 EMA. That would be sweet. Just grabbed a couple of RTX, crossing the 5-minute, higher highs on the 5. Thoughts? Let me look. Let's take a look. Raytheon. That's doing all right. I mean, it crossed that open. Oh, SPY candles over here. SPY candles. Look at this thing go. Netflix. Is Netflix going to get a pop off this? It's trying. Quad U is having a 1348 cross and a 920 cross both simultaneously on the 5. It wants to go, man. I think this wants to go. Netflix, listen to the SPY and just AMC just hanging out. Oops. Whoa. What the hell is this? I've never been on that page before. Walmart moving? Is it really? Yeah, Walmart's still going. All right, Wally World. Netflix, no. Palantir crossing out. IRNT moving. IRNT's been a weird one. So SPY needs to close these closing candles above this 200 EMA here to keep it going. That's what it really needs. %100% on Neo puts. There you go. Riot cross, which way? Up or down? Riot crossing up here. SPY's trying to move. Oh, I think Netflix can get some momentum today. Let's see. Bumble. feel like Bumble's premium is going to be insane. Bumble crossing here and coming up. Chain's not terrible on it. SPY rejected. Quad U cross. There we go. It's just chilling here. Where's Oxy? Oh, Oxy. Netflix. Netflix sucking. Walmart. There we go. There we go, Walmart. Let's see. What are these contracts at now? Walmart contracts are up a little bit. Netflixers are down. Let's see. Just made $100 in less than 10 minutes on Airbnb. Thank you, 1348. There you go, man. All right, here comes Walmart to the upside. Oxy gonna bust? I think so, man. I think so. Oxy, yeah, it looks all right here. There's Netflix getting coming out of that 13. Nope, the 25. Interesting. All right, folks. Let's see what happens here. Wally World, Moon Mission. Let's see. Dividend investor, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Excited for next week's GME report and see how far along we are with DRS shares. Last report was over 5 million. I'll bet it's 3 times now. Ooh, that would be interesting. If you got up to 15 million DRS, that would be pretty wild. That would be pretty wild. CVX new day high. Yeah, Oxy. Yeah, here comes Occidental. Quad U. How's this doing? Quad U trying to make a move. CVX is another good one over here. Yeah, these are 1 minute candles though. Netflix, how's this? Is this dead? Yeah. Let's see here. 1738. Where are we at now on Amy? 1544. Let's see. Netflix coming down. Walmart. Oh man. What are these at now? 24% on the Walmart. So that's not bad. Airline merger could hurt competition. All right, SPY back down. That's hurting Netflix. The quad U's are doing good. The Oxys are starting to look good here. See if Netflix gets a bounce here. Ooh, Mask Gang. How you guys doing? Let's see. You guys don't mind? Mask Gang, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button. I think you guys know the deal by now. Make sure you guys engage with the content. Helps get this out to some more people. I'm going to see if TMI is good to come on for a little bit. Oh, GME sell candles over here. Oxy to 60. Let's go. Is it going? Come on, Oxy. Here we go. The Oxy Strangle coming back to life, people. Oh, I'm up 30% on Walmart. Nice. I love that. 50% on the quad U's. My Oxys are coming back. Here we go. Maricross down. Here we go, people. Let's see. SPY just kind of rejected over here. Where's Netflix? Netflix. Flickering. Did somebody give Walmart some espresso? I don't know, but it's running. Hey, Walmart. Oh. Heck, bro. SPY down. TLT moving downward on the 5 minute. Ooh, Micron selling off? Yeah, with the SPY. Micron's just been an a-hole today. Like, look at this thing. Came up to touch that 13, coming back down. GME's getting some sell candles here for pretty much no reason, as it typically tends to do. Anything with AMC, they just randomly get stupid sell candles. All right, Walmart selling off a little here. Netflix holding. You're up 250% on your 60 Oxy calls. There you go. Ung on a moon mission. You played Walmart, not Kmart. What's up with that? I don't know, man. I don't know. Oxy, is it running to 60? It's trying, man. Where's oil? 111.05. Oil's not moving. Oxy's doing its thing again. GME selling off hard for literally no reason. Caterpillar puts. Bye. Let's see. Verizon cross up. It looks good. Ho ho ho. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Watching the market bleed.
It's I know, man. Spy wanted some green candles here, but got rejected a little bit.
Yeah, I played SPY calls at open. It popped up for a beautiful rip at open, like a 34% rip. And then once they hit that 200 EMA, it just got slapped.
Yeah. Didn't like it over there.
I should have sold. I kept one runner just to see if I'm like, hey, you never know. Maybe it. Nope.
Yeah.
Nope. Oh. Even Amazon is getting rejected right now. God damn.
Jeez. The uranium plays are coming back to life.
They had a little bit of a run a few months ago. I remember Gio was talking about those bad boys, and they just started ripping.
Yeah, there was some news yesterday, so I got a little strangle on this UUUU thing for
Yeah,
this
the
Friday.
4Us. Is it 4Us or 4Us? Yeah,
4Us, yeah.
It's like the Spider-Man meme.
Yeah, they're all pointing at each other.
This is stupid. Let me see here. What's going on? Actually, the market is actually up from where it started.
Yeah.
I might play some calls here.
Yeah, I've got a couple of Netflix calls kicking around. They were getting a little action here on some decent news. So I was like, and some Walmart calls. I do have some Walmart. Those are up decent.
WMT. I like it. What am I doing here? What is the market going to do here? I'm liking. I think I'm going to go for some Tesla calls. Tesla's down 3% right now.
Oh boy. Oh boy, here he goes.
Yeah,
Ooh,
I think I'm going to go for
big reds over here too.
Yeah, I think I'm going to go for a bit of a snipe.
Not a bad idea. Spy might do another test of this 200.
That's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at SPY to that test. UVXY is moving down. I'm like, Tesla's always a late indicator. I'm like, this could be a nice little. Let me wait to see. UVXY keep dipping. SPY pop. Tesla react.
Netflix being a hoe.
Netflix. Okay, let me see. Where's Netflix at? What happened to Netflix? What are they doing?
It's just shark fin. It got some news and it was it had looked like it was gonna have a nice time. I mean, I'm just kind of waiting for it now. See what's gonna happen with it.
Oh, that's not bad. That looks decent. Oh, that's a nice pop in the morning. What the hell?
Yeah.
What was the news?
I think they're raising prices. Oh, I think Oxy's ripping right now.
Yeah. CVX is.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I've been playing CVX recently, and that bad boy has been paying. But it's one of those. It's kind of like LMT. I don't really play LMT as much, but it's one of those where like when it moves, it pays. But until it moves, it's just kind of like eh.
Yeah, it's gotta go. It's
it
has to do something big.
Exactly. Let's see here. Come on, SPY. You can do it, baby. Get yourself up there.
It's trying. I think it might. I think it'll do a test of the box today. This is at like 425.50, 425.50. If it gets above here, it could do it.
Yeah. Okay. UVXY is taking a dip. Here it comes. Did those scalps already? How the heck did those scalps turn red? What the?
On Tesla?
Yeah.
Riot head fake.
It's running.
US Treasury 10-year yield rises to 2%, highest since February. Oh, TLT.
No, is it 2%?
Hank TLT. There she goes. How's the TLT strangle doing? Ooh, interesting.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lose more than 1% in this. There's no point. There's no point losing more than 1% in this. If you don't pop right now,
it needs a little move. It needs to do something here.
Okay, now we're talking. Thank you, Tesla. I appreciate that little move there. I'm looking. I'm like, you're at the bottom. Come on, everything's moving the right direction. What are you doing? There we go. Come on, SPY. You got it. Pop, pop, pop.
It wants to. It really wants to.
I just want a little bit of a dead cat bounce. That's all we're asking for now. Come on.
Yeah. Just bleeding.
There we go. There we go.
Tesla. Oh, there you go.
That's what we're talking about here.
Let's see.
If I see UVXY even with the slightest bit of rejection here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Let's see.
Okay, I gotta take this off the table.
Take it.
Yeah.
Ooh,
I'm not gonna eat
SPY.
breakfast.
Ooh,
Oh
SPY.
shit.
Ooh,
Oh
SPY. Here it
shit.
comes. What's Walmart doing?
Shit.
Just hanging out. Walmart just
Okay, I'm
chilling.
gonna go get myself some food to eat and watch these. I'm just gonna set them at even. I'll let them see what happens. If it plays, it plays. If it's not up enough right now to really take a decent amount, but hopefully SPY can break through here and we'll see what happens here. Oh, there we go. Perfect. I take it back.
It's looking decent.
Yeah, much better now. All right, guys, have a good one. Catch you. Don't forget, guys, engage with the video, smash the like. It's a pretty shitty day in the market, so help support the creators out here who are still talking shit and ripping shills in the meantime. So we're gonna have some fun with it. All right, take care, buddy.
Later, buddy. All right, guys, you heard the man. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. I don't know, riding out these Netflixes to see what happens. But Quad U coming up nicely here. This is a nice one right here. Walmart flickering around, doing its thing. Oxy, what are we looking at over here? So Occidental, it's flickering. SPY wants to make a little bit of a move here. So let's see what happens. The call side of the Quad U's are up 68%. The call side of the Oxys are up like 8%. Walmart's went back to being flat. So let's see what happens here with the SPY. Oil selling off. Yeah, but we know what happens with Oxy when oil sells off. It typically doesn't give a shit. So let's check TLT, UVXY. TLT trying to come up, UVXY here. UVXY trying to get a little bounce off these lows here. I don't know. SPY's about to have this little 1348 cross. Brian, thanks for the super. Smash the like. Can you talk about ticker Bruno? No, I cannot. We don't talk about that for some reason. I still don't know why, but I guess we just don't talk about it. Let's see. All right, SPY might come back down a little bit here. Quad U looking good. This thing looks dirty. Check Apple. Apple bleeding. SPY back up. So let's see. Amy, 1533 down about 2.45%. Just kind of flickering around here. Ah, here comes the SPY again. Here comes the SPY. Walmart, what are you doing here, pal? So you probably come down to that 13 on the 1. 25. Let's see. Flicks. Flicker in here. Forward cross up. Not still below the 200 EMA though, so watch out for that. Alrighty. I don't know. I think SPY could get a little spicy today. 1348 cross down on AMC, and you sold cover calls and bought them back, made $523. Not a bad strategy, man. I mean, that's not the worst strategy. Amy popping back up here a little bit. I mean, that's not the worst thing in the world to be doing. If you need to sell covered calls on it to lower your cost basis, if you want to, I mean, that's not stupid. That's actually a decent idea. So Netflix trying to get a pop here. Quad U, how's this doing? It's flickering here. Coming back down. Oxy, what are we looking at over here? Oh, whoa. Oxy. What the hell, pal? What the hell? Walmart. Chilling. NASDAQ is the indicator. Here comes the market. NASDAQ coming up. All right, where's QQQ? Where's it at on 1348? Yeah, see, it needs to come up a little bit more. It needs to go on like a little bit of a moon mission over here. Let's see. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I effing love this ongoing Bruno thing. It makes me laugh and laugh. SV is the ultimate straight man for this bit. I don't get it, but it's cool, I guess. Let's see. USO puts printing. There you go. CVX puts. I mean, where's oil right now? 109.30. Ooh, oil coming down. The thing is, though, is that Oxy didn't give a shit about oil yesterday. So, like, why would it care today? I mean, big red candle over here, but, like, they can kind of go screw themselves, honestly, with this oil stuff. Let's see. SPY's still trying to make an attempt up here. Let's see here. You don't get it. That's why it's funny. All right. Hey, SV, is MACD that important in using 1348 or the MA is enough? You should be using the MACD as well. You made $5,400 on SPY, 425, 318 puts near the bot, near the top yesterday. Market maker. Atta boy. Good job. Or I know it's from the Disney movie, but I haven't seen it, so it's really hard for me to understand the joke if I just haven't seen the movie. All right, SPY just crossed 1348. Let's see if it's going to come up here. It needs to break this 200 EMA to really get going. EBIX running 35%. I mean, those things I probably wouldn't chase it unless if you're already in it, good for you, but I wouldn't chase it if this thing's already up big. Great drinking game. Take a shot every single time you see a shill. You'd be hammered in like 10 minutes. 300% on Neo puts. Aaron, there you go. I mean, Neo calls yesterday, Neo puts today. There you go. Oxy, what are we doing here, pal? We getting a bounce? Not really. Let's see what we get over here. Oxy selling off. SPY trying to come up here. Jesse, I don't know about that. We've seen the market. Here's the thing, Jesse. We saw the market go from 480 to 410. That's a freaking crash, dude. Like, that's not, and what happened? Nothing. AMC went down with it. So I would say no. That's not really what's happening here. So SPY trying to come back up. Netflix, what do we got here? Netflix trying to pop. Quad U. Quad U moving up. Oxy, what are we doing here, pal? Nope, selling. Selling. You're up 40% on crowd, 1348. There you go. How's the Walmart call? Down a little bit. Walmart. Shark fin. SPY's coming up here. Here we go. Riot. What's up with Riot? Riot running up here a little bit. Here comes the SPY. Every day, all I see are these kids happy the SPY's going up. That's their collateral. VIX needs a pump. SPY needs a dump for MOAS. It's already happened. It's already happened. You've already seen the VIX pump and the SPY go down. And what happened? Nothing. We went down. So no, it would need, unless you're saying it needs to crash more, but then you're running the risk of Amy going below 10. Like, come on, this is crazy. Walmart selling. Netflix, how you doing? Chilling. Disney crossed. A Disney, a nice little cross here. Howdy, y'all. How you doing, Jazz Cabbage? All right, SPY. What you gonna do here, pal? All righty. All right, I might cut the Walmart soon if it doesn't get a bounce in like the next couple of minutes. Yeah, Walmart probably gonna let this one go. Oxy selling off. See, that's fucking annoying. They don't want to let my strangle print. Yeah, whoa. There she goes. AMC. Well, it's 1535 right here. It's trying to come up. SPY's trying to move here. And Walmart coming back a little bit. Quad U's are doing good. This thing's looking good over here. I threw the chicken bones today, and they said the market is going to move right. Some will go up, some will go down, but SP will never show his ankles wired. Hey, we need to get to 20 for ankles, my man. Ankles at 20. Tim! Good to see you in here, buddy. Thank you so much for the super. Test the call following TMI of 20%. There you go, bud. There you go. Fuel cell beat on EPS. Fuel cell was decent, I think. I'm trying. SPY ripping right now. Netflix not really moving. These Oxy can't. Yeah, Oxy's just random. Like, very random. SPY, you got one more minute. If it closes this candle above, that would be pretty sweet. This green candle is massive. On SPY, it's pretty big. Riot cross up. See, I don't riot shark fins on me sometimes, and I don't like it. Already up 20% on Disney. You know, there you go. That's not bad. NASDAQ coming up. That's what we need. That's what we need. All right, Netflix, bounce off the 13 and go moon. Spy back down. Where's Quad U and all that stuff? It's at the day high here, so this thing could start to break out. Why are you using Webull when they're payment for order flow? Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit, Jesse. Oh my God. You see this point on the desk over here? There's a point on my desk. I'm going to throw my face into it for these comments. You can't really avoid payment for order flow with options. So it doesn't matter. You're just coming in here saying wild stuff like, you got to take a chill pill, bro. Oxy crossed down on the 5-minute. Yeah, I probably did. Oh, new highs on Quad U. Oh, you're literally going to make my stomach hurt, and I'm going to have to go to the bathroom, dude. Let's see. Let's see here. What leverage do I use on my options? Oh my God, that's another one. No, don't do that. In their defense, they're better charting platforms. Well, that's true, but I mean, it's very hard to avoid it unless you're going to go with something else and try to directly do your thing. And then you can't even get filled on stuff because you're trying to mess around with wide ass spreads because there's no, like, it's very hard. Netflix flickering, SPY flickering back down to the 200. Quad U, how's this doing? This could be a big play here. This could be a big one. Bro, I'll just call 911 for you. So go ahead, hit that corner, please. Yeah, man. It's just every time. Every freaking time. My quad U's are doing good. Keith, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Tried to send a Chan inspired super after that question, but YouTube wouldn't let me send the message. If I typed scammer, lies. That's funny, buddy. Thank you, Keith. I appreciate that one. Breathe, Jack. Just breathe. I can't, bro. Every day. Every day. All right, Netflix, what's this doing? Nothing. Whole lot of nothing. You should always use your parents' house as collateral to get the most leverage you can on every single trade. No, stop. Well, am I seeing a little bounce? Yeah, it's still within the stop. So let's see what happens with it. SV quote of yesterday, don't smoke crack. Yeah, don't smoke crack. Please don't. Let's not do that. Okay. No smoking crack over here, people. All right, what do we got? Quad user up 72%. That's not bad. Oxy Strangle struggling. Netflix. Definitely crush Oxys. Yes, exactly. VIX melting down. Let's see. I mean, SPY's coming down, so the VIX probably is not coming down right now. UVXY coming up. Yeah, a little pop here on UVXY. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Thoughts on verified U.S. biolabs in Ukraine? Is that a ticker? John, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Can you say hi to my daughter, Madeline? She's watching me day trade this morning, so we can go shopping this afternoon. John, that's awesome, man. Yeah. Hello, Madeline. Let's see. Sergio, your boy is getting into some trouble over there, pal. Did you see XELA? I have not, no. Let's see. Do you even AMC, bro? I mean, it's right here. 15.25. Nothing really is going on with it right now. GME selling off a little for no reason. A firm cross down? Yeah. Twitter about to cross up? So buy Oxy, but don't smoke crack. Exactly. Like, that's not that hard to understand, guys. Let's see. Spy's just flickering again all over the place today. So, what do we got here? What do we want? Oxy, how's this doing? Is it coming back or no? Oxy's volatility is crazy. Let's see. Still holding my $8 calls for the 18th on Quad U. Oh, is you ripping? I mean, it's coming up nicely here. I like it. I mean, it's a good trade so far. Caught that Oxy dump. There you go. No ticker. We say we don't have any biolabs over there, and now they say we do. Interesting. Tim, I haven't heard anything about that. So I'd have to take a look at that. All right. Quad U is making new highs over here. This thing's running. Running. Here we go. Yeah, your boy Lou. He's getting in some trouble. All right, let's see. Mullen daily low. That's not great. Confirmed biolabs in Ukraine. What would be the significance of that? What are they thinking? Like new variants coming? Is that what they're saying? Like, is that kind of what the fear is? As of tomorrow, I can use my company app and get 4.5% Bitcoin back at Walmart and higher percentage at 80 Canadian brands and 300 American. Oh, Walmart calls. YOLO Walmart. All right, GME coming down. Spy flickering here. Walmart trying to come back up, though. That's not bad. Oxy, what's it doing? Dude, just why can't it just run or tank? Like, come on. Oil yesterday was the craziest thing. CVX new high of the day. It's running. So literally anything else would have been better to trade. I mean, I had the Exxon. The Exxon was great. Crude oil going down. I guess Oxy's going up. Run it. Quad U, how's this thing doing? Still solid. With that 1 hour candle on Oxy. I bet it's stupid. I bet it's like really stupid. Hold on. Where's Walmart? All right, there we go. I bet it looks terrible. I bet it looks like it's on crack. Yeah, this literally looks like it's on crack. Now Ukraine, Russia is being okay, that's fair. Stupid charge point won't go below 17 and it's pissing my Putins off. Yeah, I got out of the charge point calls that I had yesterday. So I made like 100%, made it free, then rode the call up yesterday, then sold it. So that was a good one. You want to see Lou versus Jake Paul? Why? Just why? Let's see. Yeah, guys, also, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see here. What do we... You coming down. Walmart flickering. What did Tim say? Tim, what'd you say? Not a war crime, but an issue. Interesting. Spy's drunk again? Spy's hammered right now. Look at Exxon on the 1 hour. If we break that 48, I'm thinking boom. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, yeah. If it gets across, though, that would be the most important thing. I mean, it's got this MACD cross over here on the 1 hour. If it breaks this and really starts to get going, that could be sweet. So it's moving up here. We're all drunk around here. Look at that volume on Oxy. It's just so volatile. Warren, let's go, pal. 24.5 million in volume already. What's AMC at? 7.9 million. There's no volume on this thing. UEC, is that the other uranium one? Yeah. Uranium up 3.35%. Not bad. I mean, this is another one. Like, I think people were talking about this earlier. Like, if the uranium stocks are going to go, they're going to go. Will you get UNG into X so I can take the other side? Mark, no. What's X doing? See, X Sharkfin. Let's see here. Are you kidding me right now? All right, hold on. Spy's trying to come back up. Yeah. Netflix is gone. That was bad. Walmart. Quad U looking good, though. Let's see what we get over here. Can you buy SPY calls, SCV? No. I will do no such thing. Where's Micron on the... Micron just selling, dude. New low. It's just new low after new low on Micron. How is Micron at a buy on the 3-minute on the STC? That makes 0 sense. Interesting. Walmart looking for a strong bounce up. It's looking for it. It's trying. It's definitely trying. Ooh. Quad U. Coming down a little. Yeah, Quad U coming down to test that 13. AMC Ortex. Yeah, I got you. 20.76% estimated short interest. You got 1.64% average cost bar. A little higher. I mean, not as many shares going on the... Oops. And then 100% utilization on it. You sent me a quick video. All right, I'll watch that later. SPY moving down. Wally World. It's trying. Breaking China easing exchange rate controls to allow Russian ruble to fall faster. Oh my God. Russia running out of friends and eating lunch by itself. Yeah. Yeah. Amy coming down. Where's Micron? Yeah, still selling. All right. SPY moving down here. All right. Let's see. STV got wrench. I got the squirrel and screw CEI. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday, but thank you. Ankle soon. And Corsi, you suck. Sky's falling. SPY's coming down now. Rutro. Oxy coming back up. I mean, it's just doing its thing, man. It's just doing its thing. Let's see what we got here. Walmart still holding. SPY selling. Watch Micron. I got a couple of Micron puts just for fun. Yeah, Micron selling here. AMD Putin's 45%. Yeah, I got a couple of Microns. Let's see what happens with it. I mean, SPY doesn't look great here. About to get a 5-minute MACD cross down. 1348 cross the downside. That looks like everything's going to come down. Including AMC, maybe. So watch out. Let's see. So does it make sense to look at puts on the SPY at 1348 crosses now since it's below the 200 EMA? Yeah, I'd watch it at this level, 421.75, the pre-market low. I would watch it around there. Definitely some crazy stuff happening. Yeah, it's insane today. So Walmart, is this thing coming down more? No, Walmart's holding good, man. Let's see what happens here. Oxy. Running back up. Quad U. Still holding nicely. Here comes SPY. Let's see. Facebook puts printing. There you go. Uber tanking. Oh boy. Oh boy. Uber. Yeah, Uber coming down really hard. So we were looking at that in the morning, but there was no cross. Couldn't really get it. Notice no more AMC talk. Lol. Okay, good. Well, it's down right now. It's at 15. What do you want me to say about it? Like, there's not been a lot of breaking news coming out about it recently. So, like, there's not, like, what do you want to do? You want to sit here and just stare at it, or do you want to, like, make money on the side? Like, I don't, what do you guys want? Like, it's for you. What do you guys want to do? I can sit here and I can just be like, it's coming down, it's coming down, it's coming down, 14.95. Like, I could do that, but it's like, why put everybody through that? Like, Ung is ripping. There you go. You got to be kidding me, Riot. All the indicators pointing up in the next second. Yoink. That's why I didn't touch it. Riot loves the shark fin. It's in the video title. Exactly. That's why it's on the screen and we talk about it today. That's why we do it. Vic's getting spicy. No, it's fine. Serious question. What do these idiots want to say? Yeah, exactly. There's no news. Like, what do you want me to say? I'm watching it right here. I'm watching it all the time. It's on the screen the entire day. Let's see. Shark fin kind of market. Yeah. Small account P&L up 30% since started trading 1348 a couple weeks ago. There you go. There you go. Quad U, what's it doing? Ripping or selling off? Quad U is just bouncing off that 13. Oxy, what's going on with this? Here she comes. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Hydrate, yeah. Let's see. Where's oil? 110.67. Okay. AMC OBV is still stupid high. Be patient. Exactly. Exactly. Micron little bounce. Where's the 1 minute 13? Yeah, it's got a little bit of ways to come up. Neo selling off still. It's bouncing a little here. Neo is coming down though after that touch of the 13. Let's see. Hey, Vix, if these yahoos don't understand what you, Dork, and TMI are doing for the community by now, there's no hope for them. Fair. Fair. All right, let's see what happens with SPY here. 14.92 on Amy over here, down 70 cents, about 4.9%. All EVs getting slammed hard. Lucid down 6% right now. Jesus. Let's see. No Brian pressure on AMC. So what number is everyone waiting for? What do you mean? There's a lot of different reasons why we could see it not coming up. Like we've been over like kind of the reasons where we could see that recalibration of the buying pressure, and everybody was like, no, and it's like, okay, cool. We put out the theory, and then no, everybody's like, no, and it's like, okay, cool. Or I didn't put out the theory. I just talked about it. Let's see. All right, folks. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, as you're filtering in, hitting that like button on the stream helps get this info out to more people. Amy selling off now. SPY coming back down. Micron coming down. Just made a new low of the day on this candle. It is at the low right now. Very soon we'll play oil short. I will as well. Quad U's ripping up? No, it's not. Don't. What the hell are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oxy flickering. SPY trying to come back up. Micron looking weak. Yeah, Micron selling here. He says relax and remain calm. He also said, if it doesn't happen this month, it's not happening. Yeah. Now you see why he's screwing with your money. Let's see. Here she goes. SPY trying to pop here. Micron's still coming down. Walmart coming back. Yeah, Walmart getting a pop here with the SPY. Micron's not, though, but it could be a delay. It could just be delayed over here, and it might just come up in a little bit. I mean, SPY's coming up here, but Micron just looks weak. is at 10:38 on my side. Oh, so it's delayed. That might be what it is. You might have a 15-minute delay. So it's 10:13 right now. It was up there. It was at 10:46 at the high. Now it's kind of coming down, but it's coming off of that 13 EMA. I mean, I'm not trading it. I just have it for the uranium stuff. Walmart coming back up still. Yeah, I like that. Walmart. Yeah, Walmart getting a nice little move here. Let's see. Micron. Let's see. Microsoft had a cross up, then a cross down within 15 minutes. Yeah, the market right now, very, very head fakey. Very, very head fakey. Sometimes there's a 15-minute delay on the quotes, Owen. Sometimes that happens. So I coming up to test this, what do you call it? 25 MA. It might come up and test the 13 on the 5-minute. I don't think it will. I mean, where's this? It's coming up to test the 13 right now on the 1-minute. So watch that on the SPY. UVXY rejected off the 200 EMA. SPY will come back. Right, but SPY, ooh, it just blew through this right here. So let's see. UVXY. Yeah, UVXY coming down here. Let's see. Volatility. Yeah, lots of volatility. Walmart not looking too bad. Can someone start a stream for those who want to complain? Yeah, just the complain stream. Let's see what we got over here. It's like they know we're using 1348. Not really. It's just like there's so much like weird volatility in the market. It's just not picking a direction. You're just seeing the bears and the bulls battle all the time. So like, where's Micron right here? Like Micron not really bouncing a whole lot right here with the SPY coming up like this. SPY testing yesterday's low. Got it. Quote delays are ridiculously harmful to retail only. Yes. SPY back down. Micron back down. Walmart's came back. Quad U's look good. Oxy, what the? Did Oxy shark fin on that little move up? Like it did. Yeah, Oxy shark fin. You're killing it on your Micron puts? There you go, man. I love to see that. Yeah, 1348 on Netflix. Not a good one. Higher gasoline prices. Bad for Amazon sales as consumers have less disposable money to spend. Well, yeah, that's a little indirect, but yes. Like eventually that will play out. Just bought 490 shares of AMC, road to 1,000 shares. Now complete. Lazy. Attaboy. There you go. All right, SPY coming down. Micron about to make some new lows over here. What's the top on Walmart for today? 141.27. It's coming back up though. Walmart looking spicy. Micron new day lows. Yeah, it just hit 75.17. And it's not really moving with the SPY here. So Micron could continue its way down here. Join the secret society of whales. The Whale Society. Comes down from the candles and price action. That's it. Exactly. And they'd have to manipulate it in the past. Like it'd be impossible. Quad U is trash now. Is it? Really? I mean, I'm still up on it. I'm holding it for tomorrow. It's a smaller strangle. I'm just going to hold it. I'm playing it both ways. If it wants to rip, rip. If it wants to tank, tank. Same thing with Oxy over here. All right, Micron, what are we looking at here, pal? 1 minute. All right, let's see. It's still bleeding. Paper handed your Micron, put it open. Again, could have been up 85%. It happens, man. It happens. All right, Micron's still selling here. SPY back down. Let's see. If Micron breaks 75, that's going to get gnarly. Walmarts are back into the green. Yeah, my quad U strangle is still green. Walmart cross up on the 30. Yep, Walmart looks good, man. I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to hold this one, see how it goes. I mean, it looks good. With the SPY coming down, Walmart's holding. That's not bad. Micron, when the SPY comes up, well, I mean, it doesn't come up really all that much with it. And then when the SPY comes down, it just goes whoop, right down. New lows. Where's Amy? Yeah, Amy making new lows. 1486 over here. 12% on Micron. All right, let's see what we got. SPY trying to bounce here. Same thing with Micron. It's not doing a... Yeah, here it comes. Here it comes. All right, watch Micron at 75. If it breaks this with momentum, it might flush. XLE calls printing. There you go. All right, where is oil right now? 109.96, not bad. Oxy. Quad Mu. Coming back down. Let's see. SPY melting down here. Micron below 75. Up right here. Here it is. Yep, there she goes. Netflix got you. Netflix got me too, buddy. Wait, you're not playing X? Hell no. Hell no, I'm not playing X. All right, up 20% on the Microns. Not bad. SPY moving down. I might add to this a little bit. No, I'll leave this. I'll leave this right here. I have the 74s that expire tomorrow. That's what I have on Micron. Hate to say it, but Rico called this down to 12. Why do you hate to say it? That's fine. If you got it right, you got it right. It's not to 12 yet, but we're at 1490. We've been here many, many times in the past, but we'll see what happens with it. Can you explain the metrics of a strangle and how you would be profitable? You just buy calls and puts on either side, out of the money on either side. The calls go up more than the puts depreciate, you make money. In general, though, if one of the sides goes up 100%, that's when you start making money in terms of like what it would be on expiration. Micron flush in here. Trey's mustache. Where you at, buddy? Making money. Check fast stock news. There's a few oil and gas updates. What about gas reserves? Are they releasing more? India's oil minister held phone talk. Gas stockpiles fell 124 BCF. Inflation number shows costs of imposing sanctions. Interesting. All right. Micron is selling hard here and SPY's coming back up. So this is good. Walmart, print, pal. Not yet. Yeah, Micron little bounce. What am I up on these? Set 24%. Not bad. SPY, nice pop. That's a 1 minute. So this is the 1 minute coming up to the 200 EMA on the SPY. Micron pulling back up here a little bit above 75. Let's see what happens here. Where's DraftKings today? Little pop. Everything's getting a little pop here. Let's see here. Yeah, guys, also, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. Helps out a whole lot. Shout out to all the members and the new members. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much. Riot. I'm not touching Riot. Riot's so shark finny. I just don't like it. All right, spot. That's on the 5 minute? That's kind of crazy. Micron, what's going on with you, pal? Squirrel, dead cat bounce, pal. That's what I'm thinking on this one. Palantir cross on the 5. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. So, what do we got? Right about to cross down. I mean, it does look like it. I still like these Microns. So let's see. Please claim his whistle. Put in a buy limit order for 14 on AMC. Good for a week. There you go. All right, Micron coming back down now. Not sure. Maybe a bear flag. Okay. I mean, this just also kind of looks like little head and shoulders too. Micron. All right. Maybe I'll add one more to this. There it is. What's max pain this week? 17. 17 is max pain for this week. Whoever is keeping Arizona iced tea at 99 cents should be in charge of inflation. Facts, Rands. Whoever is in charge of that. Isn't it like really expensive in Australia though? It's like $3. All right, SPY back down. I don't know. I've got a lot on these microns. Let's see if these hit. I'm up. Let's see here. 21%. Nice. Oxy ate Taco Bell for a snack, but we'll eat filet mignon for lunch. Here for it, man. Does Riot move with the SPY? Riot moves with Bitcoin, which sometimes moves with the SPY. SPY down, Micron down. They're counting on AMC holders to get frustrated and burnt out. 100%. That's what they do. They literally trade based on the psychologies of human emotion. Don't forget that. Bryce, 100%, man. That's 100% true. 25% on these microns. Not bad here. Oh, these are going. The new lows on micron. Oh, SPY flushing here. 30% on these. These are good. Yellen wouldn't expect most of Europe to can do U.S. oil sanction. Okay, interesting. Micron moving down. These puts are doing good. 31%, 33% now. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Walmart falling. Is it? Yeah, these are down. The Walmarts are down 14%, but Walmart should come down with this. Damn, just holding here, man. And 5-minute MACD cross down. It's almost not worth holding that there. So let's see. Oxy back into the green. Jesus, dude. These Oxys are so stupid. All right, here comes Micron back down. Went super heavy in on Micron, up 63%. I love trading Micron, dude. Micron has been one of my most, like, let me check, like, the P&L in terms of, like, the last 3 months. Micron's probably number one. Okay, it's number 3 because of Facebook and Lockheed. But most consistently, and maybe after this trade, it'll shoot up to, because Facebook was a dirty trade. SV said bye-bye SPY the other day, so I bye-bye and it goes down. Yeah, exactly. Bye-bye SPY is going down. All right, Micron coming down. You're up 100% on Micron? Attaboy. I'm up like 34%, but I went a little bit bigger on it. So let's see what happens here. Everything is just saying down. So let's see. So many haters in here today. Yeah, they can go fuck themselves. That's fine. Let's see. Micron stopped me out on the second test of the 13th. This one right here. Yeah, it could do it again. Like, it easily could do this again. Now, I mean, that's kind of why I'm adding to the position to see if it's going to go up a little bit more and then be able to be good. You're up 25% on the Uber puts. Trace Mustache crushing it today, man. There you go. There you go. Yeah, guys, if you do want to check out the strategy that we're using to print in this marketplace, make sure you guys check out the Discord at the top over there. We teach you guys the strategy, then give you an incredibly powerful tool to make the strategy super, super easy on. You get a... I mean, we've been saying it for like the last 2 weeks. So these last 2 days of this week are going to be the last free trial where you get alerts on the 1348 crosses on 5 stocks, basically just for the day trades. And then after that, we're going to cut it. But then you just pay a small fee for like basically the training wheel. So you get the daily alerts and you're going to be able to get those alerts on the 5 stocks. So make sure you guys check that out if you're interested. I hate you, says Frank. Why? Let's see. Didn't catch the Micron. Wait for the next one. Yeah, I mean, there's always going to be another one. SPY's coming down here. Micron's still selling. Oh, Ryan, you said you had a funny message. What was it, buddy? Want a really good laugh? My car got broken into for the second time in a month. Both times, the only thing they took was my mask. Dude, that's the silliest thing I've ever heard. All right, SPY moving down. Watch Micron start to flush here. Unless this is going to be the low and they're not going to let it go down anymore, which is possible. Like if SPY just makes a new low here and just continues to make new low. 420, where's the low of the day? 422.05. If SPY makes a new low here and then Micron doesn't, watch out. Are the alerts delivered by email or text? No. They're delivered directly from the Discord. So you get an alert to your phone from Discord. TMI broke into the car, obviously. Yeah, that's probably what it was. SPY moving down here. Watch out if Micron's going to flush. All right, SPY new low. Ooh, it was at the previous low of the day. 36% on Micron. See, it's trying to bounce here. Nah, new lows on the SPY. Micron, it's time to go, pal. UVXY running up. Yeah. Why is the only thing I shorted up 8% and 80% in a week? I don't know what you're talking about there. You're shorting stuff? What'd you short? SPY back down. This the dude that refuses to admit that he lost something? Who is that, Leo? Let's see. AMD 78%. Attaboy. Oxypop. That's what we like to see. A little bit here. SPY moving down. These microns could be good. I mean, SPY 1348 cross. It looks good. So let's see. Almost got faked out of my SPY puts. That would have been a shame. Where's the... Oh, I see what it's about to do. I see what you're trying to do here, SPY. I see. I see what you're doing here, pal. Don't you think you can fake me out on this? Gap fill? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. It's possible. STV share with the class. It looks like they're going to try to gap fill it. Maybe. Next 2 days. Gap fill. I mean, you'll know for sure when it gets to here. What's this? 421.37. If it starts to break into the gap, watch out below. Flush to 420 and gap fill. That's what I'm thinking, pal. That's what I'm thinking. SPY 390 by next week. See, a lot of people are very bearish on the SPY. That's aggressively bearish on the SPY. All right, let's see. These should be up a little bit here. Yeah, 42% on the micron, not bad. That was my thesis. I like when we think together, Squirrel. It usually ends up well. It usually ends up pretty good for us when that happens. 416.83 gap fill. That's where the gap is. But, I mean, I don't know if it's going to get there. That's the thing. We'll find out if it wants to do it at, where is it? Where did I say it was? 421 something? 421.42. So that's kind of where we'll see if it's going to do it. Where's the 1 minute 13 EMA? It's got to be close. Yeah. Oh, coming back down. Let's see. All right, Micron. Oh, new lows. SPY 160. That's crazy. 357% on Neo puts. There you freaking go, man. Let's see. All right, people. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. We got 2,100, almost 2,200 of you guys in here right now. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate that. All right, Micron new lows. SPY is trash. Yeah. Where's Chain when you need them? All right, what are the microns? I'm up 48%, 49% on these. Not bad. Be patient on SPY will bounce. I disagree, I think. I mean, if it goes down to 420, I might take those there. That's probably where I'll take them. XE, probably the spread if you were using market orders. It's probably the spread. The market maker just screwed with you. All right. It's coming close here. This is kind of where I'm seeing it right here. Right there. 421.40. Watch it. If it breaks down into there, it might be gap fill time. SPY to a penny. 50% on micron puts. Or on what puts? Oh, wait. Yeah, that's what I'm up. Sorry. 408% on Neo puts. There you go. Lynn, thank you so much for the super. I really appreciate that. When did you get into Neo? Mine are only up 50%. I don't have Neo. AMD getting trashed. Yeah, Micron's getting flopped too over here. Can't get filled on these Disney puts. Yeah, do I have any? Wow, dude. Walmart is holding up so well. These contracts are only down like 11% right now. That's nothing. The quad U strangle still green. The Oxy's getting a little sparked over here, but SPY doesn't look like it wants to have any fun today. What is a gap fill? So look, there's a giant gap right here. Giant gap from like 416, 417 all the way up to 421.36, 421.40. So I'm watching for it to get to that level to see if it wants to go for a gap fill. Like there's a theory out there that like 90% of all gaps get filled at some point. The gap's down to 417. I don't think it's going to get there, but I do think it's going to make an attempt to do it. So if it breaks into that 421.40 area, it's like, all right, now it wants to maybe try and make an attempt to do it. How much is it going to go? I don't know. That's the thing. So I'm just kind of waiting for it to go. Nice 1348 cross on the SPY. I mean, it kind of, but it's below the 200 EMA. Wants to come down. The MACD looks good. Everything is pointing to the SPY going down. Micron's being an asshole right now, but that's fine. Lynn, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Made $1,000 on Micron puts today, making bank on this stream in 1348. Thanks for all you do. Lynn, I appreciate that. Thank you so much for the super. I thank you. Like, really, I'm happy you're crushing it, man. You filled 90% of okay, that's fair. All right, SPY, there it is. Needs a little bit more to come down to see. Let's see. I mean, I'm only up not 10, 11%. Here it is. Here it is. So let's see if it's going to make an attempt to fill these gaps over here. And it looks like it might. All right. SPY's making new lows here. Micron's not doing it yet. So Micron might be kind of done for a while today. What are the... Dude, Walmart's going up. That's insane. Oxy bounce? Yeah. Where's oil right now? Oil moving up a little bit, but nothing too crazy. Oxy's alive. Hopefully, man. All right. SPY puts printing. 46% on the Microns, 45%, 11% on the SPY. So Micron is not really wanting to make these new lows over here with the SPY just going bloop. I don't get how he's always green. I'm not always green. I'm definitely not always green. I got busted on these Netflix calls this morning. All right, SPY. All right, guys, give me like 10 seconds. I got to run to the bathroom for a minute. Make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. All right, team, how we doing? Ooh, SPY's coming down here. Neo dumping. Everything's dumping. SPY's coming down. Micron might be getting a little bit of a green candle over here, but like screw them. I think it's coming down still. 10-ish% on the SPY puts. 43% on the Microns right now. I think Micron's just kind of waiting for it to just continue to go down. Let's see. Oxy boom. Did it? How much of a boom? Oh, hold on. Hold on. Oxy, rip, bro. This is not what we want. We want you to just go boom, way up here. Do you think Micron will go any lower? Man, I do if the SPY is going to continue to go down, but it looks like it wants to bounce here a little bit. This is what I'm watching here. If the SPY is going to continue to make new lows and then Micron doesn't, it might be over. Or it wants to do a test of this 13 EMA and then come down. That's maybe what it wants to do here. Test this 13 EMA and then break down. But we'll see. SPY coming up, probably doing the same thing here. Not yet. Walmart, good or bad? Oh, Walmart strong today. Damn. Micron, yeah, rejected. So I'll watch Trey's mustache. We can watch this on the 1 minute on Micron. And then SPY move down. It's not testing the 13 on the SPY yet. 320% on Neo puts. Oxy boom boom. Yeah, Oxy was looking good. So Oxy, yeah, the call side's still jacked. 46% on Micron puts. 8.5% on SPY puts right here. TLT been flying. Thank you, 1348. Yeah, exactly. So, guys, make sure you check out the Discord linked in the top over there. A lot of people are crushing it with the strategy. If you haven't taken the time to learn it yet, you definitely should consider it. Walmart flight to defensiveness. Yeah, I mean, the Walmarts are down 1% right now. Ooh, Micron. I don't know. It's just kind of fighting at this 13 EMA over here. SPY coming back up a little. All those days of Walmart Ortex are paying off. Dude, I hit a dirty one with you guys on last Friday. That was nasty. It was like 250% in like 2 minutes. Walmart just went boom. All right, Micron rejecting again. Let's see. What I want Micron to do is I want a big separation from this 13 EMA to drag it down more, because you see it flattening out right here. It's like down, 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 but it's flattening out a little bit here. We need some big Micron candles to really send it down and really separate from the 13 EMA, and then also bring it down with it. So AMC right now, right around 15, 14.98. Micron coming down. SPY's moving back down here. So these Microns are up about 50%. The SPYs are up 6.7. The Walmarts are green. This is hilarious. Micron put call ratio going up. That would mean more puts, I believe. Remember Nancy Pelosi has like a bunch of Micron calls? SPY 1 minute. It's nothing too crazy on the SPY. See, it's not even coming up to that 13, and it's moving back down. Unless it wants to, I mean, it wants to get a little 1 minute MACD cross. I wouldn't really pay too much attention to that, though. Micron way oversold. That's cool, but if everything's going to tell us to stay in the trade, it doesn't matter. That's the thing. Like, even if it's oversold, like, it's still everything that's going to tell you to, like, the indicators to, like, stay in the trade or get out of the trade. If it says stay in the trade, it says stay in the trade. We have no resistance to stop UVXY. They're bidding up. New lows on Micron over here. SPY coming down. Here we go. Here we go. The 13.5% on the SPY, 56% on the Micron. Not bad. Not too bad. SPY back down. Okay, so it looks like it might try to want to make this attempt to go for a gap fill. That's what it looks like. Apple puts are printing. There you go. Bought a put at 144.66, sold for 145.34. How did I only make 68 cents? You didn't buy a put. I'm so confused. Are you buying options, or are you shorting? That doesn't make a lot of sense, XE. Unless you're market ordering and you get screwed with spreads. So Micron new lows. SPY coming down again. I'm very confused. The quad U strangle's still up, but it's basically flat. 107% on AMD and 20% on the SPY. There you go. I don't know what are you buying deep out of the monies, buddy? Because I'm only up 13% on the SPY. Unless we got it at different times, which is very possible. All right, my Microns look like they might want to go into the money over here. Trey's mustache. You're printing, buddy. I'd love trading Micron. Right now, Micron's like my favorite thing to trade. Up or down. Market order. That's why they screwed you on the spread. They stole from you. That's why I don't use market orders. I just use limit, because you say I'm going to get filled at this price or higher, or I want to buy at this price or lower. That's essentially what it's doing. Micron coming back up. SPY trying here. SPY 13 EMA test on the 1 minute coming up right here. Brr. Yeah, I mean, let's see what happens with Micron here at another 13 EMA test. This isn't really what we want. We want it to separate big. Netflix put 100%. Dude, I am very happy I got out of those Netflix calls when I did. Jeez. 50. Ooh, Micron rejecting a little here, I think. SPY right back down. There we go. You thought market was better because it gets filled instantly? It's not, though, because you get filled instantly. Do you think UUU will go back up? Just jumped in on the bandwagon, bid high for calls. I don't know, man. I just bit my tongue. I have a strangle on it. So I just think it could be a little vol. I mean, it also expires tomorrow, so it's like a little bit of a YOLO. I didn't go very big on it. SPY coming up to try and test this right here. S&P upgrades NVIDIA to A, outlook stable. NVIDIA has been coming down too. Let's see. I don't know. Everything about this is saying it. So Walmart ready to take off. Where is it at now? My contracts are up 5%. That's not bad. I'm still up 51% on the Micron puts. I'm still up 6% on the SPY puts. I don't know. Let's see. SPY's trying to bounce here a little bit. I think it wants to do this gap fill. Let's see. Here it goes. Squirrel, I think we're going to be good on these puts today. Squirrel, what strike do you have? Because I have the 416s. Maybe UVXY hits 21.32 and drops. Maybe it's just it's coming up now. Watch SPY start to move down. Good morning, Vix. What's up, Jonah? How you doing, buddy? All right, everybody. As you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see what we're gonna get today. 54% on the Micron puts, 8% on the SPY puts. Hovering here, the 13. Let's see. Quad U expires next Friday. Oh, yes. I didn't realize that. That's awesome. Oh, I thought it expired tomorrow. Oh, that is so nice. Because I just bought the first strike. Like literally I bought the strike that was like the closest to like the expiration. I didn't realize that they only do monthlies on it. That's good. That's very nice. That's awesome. So I can hold that until next week. That's perfect. 57% on Micron puts. There we go. Could you show an offer down there when you talked about the gap fill? Well, the gap fill is just way back here. It's just this right here. If you're watching the screen right now, it's right here. It's this giant gap when we just gapped up on the SPY. So it might come down and fill it. I don't know. It's in it right now. It's literally in this gap. So is it going to come fill it? I don't know. I mean, typically people say that a lot of these gaps typically get filled. Is it going to? I don't know. Typically, I don't trade gap fills, but like we've seen it happen many times. Might as well get some exposure to it, especially if the technicals are saying it's going to go down anyway. Like you might as well. Let's see. 20% up on my $11 UUU calls for April expiration. Think it'll keep running? It's possible, especially if stuff comes out next week about uranium sanctions. All right. Here we go. Micron coming up here a little bit. Only up 50% on the it's coming back down. I don't know, man. I just think this is gonna I think this can run below 74. I think it can. Do I know for sure? No. Maybe I'll sell a couple of them, leave a free contract there. I mean, I could technically leave 2 free contracts right now, I think. Yeah. I could have 2 free contracts on Micron going into tomorrow for puts right now if I really wanted to. Am I going to? I don't think so. That's kind of risky. Watch it at this 25 MA. SPY's probably coming up to test that 13. Ooh, it's above the 13. Okay, so everything's doing these 25 MA tests right now. Let's see if they're going to try to fake us out here or they're going to send it right back down. Let's see. Just time is the main variable? Yeah. Like it could be 10 years from now. Like that's the thing. It's like the cap fill could be 10 years. SPY puts just went a little red. Walmart calls in the red. Bump it. How about we don't? Let's see. All right, rejected here. Let's see if it falls below that 13. I believe SPY is support at 420, but obviously it could break down. If we hit 420, that's where I'll sell one of them. Retesting pre-market low of 422. Yep, right here. Ooh, Micron flickered hard there. Ooh, MU. Where's it on the 5-minute? No. Where's the STC on Micron? 5-minute still says sell. Where's the RSI on it? Oh, it's coming back up, but I mean that could be good if we want to have it cool off a little bit. What's the STC on the 3? The STC on the 3-minute on Micron just signaled buy. So do with that information whatever you want. SPY coming back down. Let's see what happens with Micron here. Is Walmart falling? Yeah, Walmart. All right, I'll probably cut those. Get them back. Tiny loss on here. Yeah, let's see. I'll cut these. Yeah, sold them. Please tell me I didn't buy. Please tell me I didn't buy. All right, cool. We're good. SPY puts back to life. Micron. Let's see. You got a strangle on Micron here. Good luck, man. Hour cross down on QQQ. Oh boy. The 25 and the 200 EMA. It's just the time period that it's looking at. That's all it is. It's just the time period. How many like look back periods it's using. All right. SPY back down below that 13 EMA on the 1 minute. Let's see. Need for Speed. Thank you so much for the super. What is the short exempt volume for AMC? I don't think we have access to that information intraday. Oxy's painful today. It's up a little bit. Quad U. I mean, I've got them for next week. There's probably a lot of people betting on this going into next week. Fine, I have puts too. Like I have a strangle on it. So if it rips, awesome. If it tanks, equally as awesome. Yeah, Need for Speed. I don't think we have access to that data on an intraday basis. I think it comes out after close. Let's see here. All right, let's see. LTBR's earnings day. Wasn't that the one we were looking at yesterday? All right, hold on. Micron on this. Yeah. All right, Micron. What are you going to do here, pal? Let's see. Come on, SPY. Fill that gap. It might. There. Oh, big candle on Micron there. That's a big boy candle on Micron to the downside on the 1 minute. 55% on those. Only up 1.77% on the SPY. SPY down. Micron. Let's see if it breaks 74. Let's see. All right. LTBR is uranium. Interesting. Micron back up. SPY trying here, but it doesn't look like it's going to do anything special here. It's just, I feel like SPY's just waiting for another one of, where is it? It was on the 5 minute. Yeah, these right here. This. Just waiting for another one of these. Crime is back on the menu. Yeah, pretty much, man. Pretty much. 20-minute chart on UVXY. Looks like the market may run back up. This is going to be nuts. It might, man. I mean, oh, there goes Micron again. 2 cents off the low. Ooh, just hit the previous day low. 61% on these. And it bounced up a little here. All right, AMC right here, 1489 coming down a little bit. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move here. Micron's just like, nope, I'm going down. Huge head and shoulders on SPY from yesterday to pre-market until now. Yeah, I mean, is it just going to... This 5 minute candle's still red. Oh, here comes Micron selling pretty hard. There we go. 64% on these. Let's see if it breaks 74. If it breaks 74, that's going to be dirty. What's the STC on Neo? What time frame, Trace Hoodie? Just give me a time frame. I'll tell you what it is. All right. Here we go, SPY. Don't paper hand this. Ride it with me. All right, buddy. I'm down. I have a lot of money on this. Like, I have a lot of money on this. For me, this is a lot of money. So let's do it. I also have SPY puts, so I'm betting market go down. Don't they just cancel each other out? Moto Dave? No. No, they do not. Sometimes they do. Sometimes you want one side of the strangle to go up. Oh, it hit 74. So sometimes you want, if one side of the strangle goes up over 100%, you're automatically going to make some money. If you sell that side, you've made money. Because the other side could go to 0, but you've counteracted the other side. So if you're up 120%, you make about, 10% on it? The whole thing? Let's see. Oh, SPY pop there. Oh boy. Let's see. AR Fisher, thank you so much for the super. Do you think AMC could climb out of debt if the ION AMC NFT had utilities tied into them? It's working for gambling games? No, because those were given out for free. Those were given out for free. So no, we'd have to do another NFT that we'd have to pay for. So SPY, little pop here, but nothing too crazy. Micron coming back. Oh man, this is wild here. This is getting some volatility odd coming over here, huh? Max pain for AMC 17. Micron testing that 13 and the 25 on the 1 minute again. It's kind of bullshit. So big red on Oxy. This is number one bullshit. All right, SPY might come up and test this 13 EMA. That would suck for these microns. Yeah, that would suck a lot. And it's done these tests. Nilo. Tests, boom, way back down. So, it's only at 74.30. Like, that's not, it's still making lower highs, lower lows. Ooh, SPY back down. Let's see. SPY testing on the 3 minute. Testing what? It's, guys, Andy, strangles are not complicated. You buy a put, you buy a call. That's it. That would be like a 40-second video. Put, call, done. Hopefully one of them goes up way higher than the other depreciates. You're playing volatility. You're hoping that the IV shoots up on one side. Or technically both sides, but these SPY puts are probably a little red right now. 0.35% red. 57% on Micron, not bad. I'm kind of, let's see. Both in the money? No. I go out of the money at the strangles. SPY candle. Candle. Micron's not getting that sell candle yet. It's actually coming up here a little bit. Just wait for it, though. I think it'll come down. If SPY makes a new low off of this, yeah, out of the money for strangles, yes. How do you decide what strike prices for the strangles? It depends, man. It always depends. I always strangle earnings. So there's math that goes behind the earnings strangle. This quarter, though, I didn't really use the math at all because every single earnings was like just completely jacked up on the premium. So I was like, all right, well, this is just stupid. If I think it's going to move, I just kind of got to play it and hope for the best. But we hit the Facebook, so we were good to go there. Here come the high-pitched howls. Thus my exit from the stream. Get out of here. I don't really care. Let's see. 74.18 on Micron. Who's still in the green? On Amy? I'm not. My average is 26.14. Same strike, same date. Different strikes, same date. Buy a little pop here. Micron. I'd like these microns to go up 100% or more. That would be pretty sweet if it just starts flushing. Roblox. What's up with Roblox? Nothing too wild over here. What are the microns at right now? Okay. Your AMC average is at 1457 at 5,000 plus shares. Damn. Whale over here. There you go, man. Walmart popping. Yeah, it was just being silly. Walmart was just being silly. It's above 141. No, not yet. It's done this a couple of times today. It's like up, and then it just gets knocked right back down. Micron selling. 1348 cross on Oxy 5-minute. What made me enter Micron? I just watched Micron so many times. I kind of see how it moves. So you could play it off the. I mean, okay. So Micron. Let's see here. So Micron. What I saw honestly was down, test the 13, new low, test the 13, new low. Like I was just playing it off of these 13 tests. MACD looked good. The SPY looked like it was going to come down. Everything just looked good about this trade. You can look at it on different time frames, like the 30-minute, the 1 hour, like the 1 hour. I mean, nothing's crossing on it. It just kind of crossed before. So, I mean, you could have looked at it on the 920, but in general, that was just a playing the momentum. SPY was the 1348 though. The SPY trades at 1348. Once Micron breaks 74, it's over. I think it's really going to sell off once it breaks 74. So SPY's just flickering here, man. You're still in the green at 10 a share, over 1,300 shares. There you go, man. All right. 421.91 is the previous low on the SPY for the day. If it hits that and starts to sell and Micron gets a candle, watch below 74. These are all on, well, this is on the 5-minute chart. This is on the 1-minute chart. Oxy running. It needs to go huge. Oxy's coming up. That's not bad. Oh, SPY flushing. Little flush here on the SPY. Eating Taco Bell again on the SPY. All right, that's the wrong one. Here we go. When it breaks 74, it's doing one of those 50-cent flush moves. Run it. New lows on the SPY over here. Let's see. 16%, 17% on the SPYs, 70.5% on the Microns. Trey's mustache. Dude, you must be up like 150% on your Microns right now. Wells Fargo crossing down. I saw that. Yep, that was an alert. Let's see. I mean, everything's starting to come down. Let's see what happens with SPY over here. What's this? 1 minute? Yeah, new lows on the SPY. Here it goes. Micron. It's so close. Oh, SPY selling hard. Micron getting ready to go. It's so close. It's so close. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It's under 74. Let's see what happens here. If it bounces back up or if it just goes boom right down. Yeah, selling pretty hard on Micron. 77% on these. 20% on the SPYs. Looking good here. 125% on AMD. There you go, man. I mean, I'm only up 76% on these Microns. Like 18%, 16% on the SPY. What's the low on Micron? Oh, there it goes. There she goes, stealing money from market makers. Thank you very much. All right, 82% on Micron. Not bad. Lonely on the weekends? I get lonely on the weekends too. All right, guys. If you guys are making money today and having fun on the stream, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. If you want to learn the strategy that we're using to make a lot of this money, make sure you check out the Discord link in the top of the chat over here, or the first link in the description. 25% on SPY. Mine are up about 20. 19.5. Now they're up 20. All right, we'll throw this back on the 5-minute for the SPY. $160% on Micron, thanks to 1348 in VIX. Woo! Trey's mustache. I love to see that, buddy. All right, SPY's coming down. Might make a new low over here. Same thing with Micron. UVXY struggling to break in 2132. I think we're onto something. Like, you think it's going to bounce? I don't think it's going to bounce. I think SPY wants to go for this gap fill. Everything is just pointing red on it. UVXY about to cross up on the 5. If it breaks that level that you've been talking about, like, no, UVXY is at the high of the day right now. So this thing can get gnarly. If this crosses and starts to run on UVXY, watch out below on the SPY. Whoa, Micron, asshole. Micron, that was mean. Ooh, 5-minute MACD on Micron wants to come up. Where's it on the STC? Let's see. How is Walmart surviving the SPY blood? I don't know, man. That's crazy. All right, is it testing the 13 again? Yep. AGRI. It's just a runner. It's a penny stock runner. What is this thing? I wouldn't chase it. I would not chase this. This would be a chase up 130%. Is there an options chain on it? No. Darn. On bounce. Oxy crossed up in the 5-minute again. Oh god. Is it running up higher though? Nah, it needs to break that day high of 59.59. Here comes SPY back down. Let's see. All right, let's see. 51% up on the SPY. There you go. I mean, the SPY gap fill level is like 417. 460. It can do it. Like, that's the thing. It can do it. I just don't. That would be so aggressive. Look how close the SPYs are crossing down on the weekly. It's still got. I mean, you could do it. You could see it next week. You need the candle to close. What about the 1 hour cross daily? It's already below. 5-minute. Let's see, 1 minute. Test the 13. All right, we'll leave that over here. It's just testing this 13 again. Quad U went red. It's fine. So I'm waiting for news on it. That's all it is. Because here's the thing. If the news comes out that they're not sanctioning it, tank. If the news comes out that they are sanctioning it, rip. That's all I'm really looking for here. Micron 5-minute STC just crossed up. Just kidding. It went back down. If I'm playing the daily, should I buy monthly calls or like 2 week? I would say monthly is smarter. Yeah. Watch these tests of the 13 on the SPY. See if it makes a new low here. Amy coming down, 1493. SPY back down. Rejected. SPY puts 73%. There you go. Mine are only up like, what, 10, 15? Yeah, 14%. 52% on the Micron. Quad U strangle is down $10. We're going to be fine. Oxy coming back to life here. SPY moving down. Oxy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. SPY 390. That would be insane. Yeah, why did I just put SPY over here? Micron. Micron coming back down. SPY wants to come back up to that 13. It's getting a little flickery. It's getting a little flickery over here, people. XY. Testing it. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Oxy, what's this doing? And then where's the oil? 110.21. Oil's kind of staying flat. U sanctions. Maybe. It's a big maybe on the uranium sanctions. I mean, everybody's bidding it up, expecting that they're going to. So it could be a little sell the news event once it comes out, but I have the strangle on it. It'll be perfectly fine. Oxy pop. Yeah, it looks like it wants to. How you know CEI gonna pop? I don't. I have no idea. I never said anything about that. Amy coming down. SPY flickering around this 13. What's your SPY gap range? Well, it's just the gap. It's just the, well, this is on the 1 minute. I don't want that. It's just this right here. What is this? 417.85 to 421.27. So it's in the gap right now. Ooh, it's coming up. Coming on up. I mean, I'm going to hold this. There it goes back down. Micron coming back down again. I mean, we're making some good money today, people. UVXY dropping to test support. I bet it's popping right now. Ooh, it big candle there. Came back up. Flickering. Yeah. UVXY, what's the high? 21.30. 8 cents on this thing. Needs to go. So let's see what happens with the SPY here. SPY's, wow, it really is just flickering around this 13 EMA over here on the 1 minute. Micron to 0. I don't know about that. I love trading it. Up or down, Micron is fun to trade. Just wanted to confirm audio only on phone. Ah, gotcha, buddy. All right, Micron looks like it wants to maybe get that test of that 74 again on the downside. These are up 69% over here. The SPYs are up about 14, but it's just flickering, man. GME earnings next week, that's going to be fun. GME earnings is going to be fun. I mean, typically they don't do earnings like AMC does. There's not as much hype around it, but you never know. They could announce something. That's the thing. Like, you never know with an earnings call. It could be wild. Made a quick 40% on Exxon. There you go. SPY dump soon? I think so. Where's MBC? MBC usually comes in here and can push the button on the SPY. MBC is the guy that controls the SPY. All right. Man, it's just flickering hard. 3 minute and 5 minute STC on Neo, please. Gotcha. Five-minute is saying buy, but it's flattening out. It needs to come down a little bit more to signal the sell. On the 3 minute, it's flattening out even more. So on the 3 minute, it's going to signal the sell quicker. Mr. Cohen has been active on Twitter. Mr. Cohen has been SPY. Mr. Cohen has been very active on Twitter. All right. Let's see. It's just, I think this is just a little consolidation before SPY makes the next leg down. That's my guess here. Buffett margin calls on SPY at 11.52. Micron. Testing that 48. Let's see what happens. %48 on those. So about 13% on these SPY puts. Let's see. Micron consolidating too. Yeah, I mean, it's coming up to like a little bit of a higher level, but I mean, not really. It's, oh, there it goes. There she goes. Here comes SPY back down. All right, Amy coming down a little here, 14.89. SPY selling. Micron holding above this 48 EMA over here. So Micron might have played itself out for now. Let's see. Here comes SPY. 10 cents off the previous low. Here it comes. Wow, Micron's holding with this. This is interesting. Micron pumping here. All right, hold your horses. I might get out of this. Interesting, Micron. What's the 5 minute say? Oh, There it is. There it is. Just testing that 13 EMA on the 5-minute now. Huh. There it is. All right. SPY's being an asshole. Let's see what we get over here. Quad U reversing to the upside. Let's see. Let's try it. Oxy. Nope. Damn. Micron, what you gonna do here, pal? Micron had support on the daily. Yeah, so I'm up 32% on these still. All right, now we're watching on the 5. Buyers are stepping in on Apple. Buyers are stepping in. All right, let's see. SPY, I mean, it just looks like it wants to go down. Like, it just looks like it wants to come down. Oh, there it goes. SPY flushing new lows. Micron not moving with it yet. 17% on these SPYs, 37% on the Micron. Let's see. Here comes SPY. Let's see. Yeah, guys, also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It's been really, really cool. Let's see here. SPY back up. Damn, this is a little interesting. The 13 is still descending on the 1 minute on the SPY. We got Micron holding around the 13 on the 5. UVXY still struggling with that resistance. Yeah, if it breaks it, though. Now, yeah, man, it's just chilling over here. MU. Little rejection over here. 44% on Micron, 11% on the SPY. Here comes Micron back down. If you had 42,000 and it gave you 10,000 left in the bank after you bought 1 Bitcoin, how does that work? Oh, because Bitcoin. Would you buy one complete? I have no idea. If you want to do it, do it. That's the thing. If you're planning on holding it long, buy whatever you want. That's kind of how I look at it. If you think it's going to be way higher in the future, doesn't matter what you buy now. Walmart coming back. That's not bad. Micron has some green work to do. Yeah, give it a few minutes. If the 5-minute MACD crosses back down on Micron, I mean, it's going to just tank, I think. Lockheed breakdown. Quad U strangle still down like $10. SPY 5-minute MACD is still saying sell. Thanks, I wasn't spamming. I have to get back to work. Needed to know. Yeah, I have no idea. Like, I have no idea what your risk tolerance is, how much money you have, what your situation is, and I can't give you any advice on that, man. Sorry. All right, folks. What do we got going on here? Amy, 1485. SPY coming back down. Micron trying to move back down. Rejected off of that 13 EMA. Yeah, here it comes. SPY just touching this 25 MA. I mean, the 25 wants it. MACD curling. Let's see what we get here. Adam Aaron tweet. Oh, wait. What did I just do? All right. Adam Aaron tweet. What do we got? Let's see. Oh, okay. Your replies just might break the internet. Given your clear enthusiasm and interest in cryptocurrency, as promised, the AMC Theater's website now accepts Dogecoin and Shiba Inu for online payments. A special shout out to BitPay for helping us make this happen. So they are now accepting the SPY's coming up here on the one. Micron's not moving, but SPY's coming up on the 1 minute to that 48 EMA. It's done this a few times before it makes a new low, but let's see what it does here. Micron not moving really. MACD cross up on the 5 for Micron. I know, I saw that. It's just, look, it's rejecting at this 13 right here. Like, and if SPY comes back down, it probably is going to drag Micron down with it. Why is AMC down and SPY went up? AMC is down and SPY is down 1.47% today. Let's see. 53% of the microns, the SPY puts are essentially flat here. People keep talking about spam, but I can't find the ticker. Funny guy. Oh, hold on. Oracle hearing TikTok deal. We've heard that a few times. Oh, look at this candle on Oracle. Oracle might do a TikTok deal, but I don't know. We've heard that many times on who was going to like get TikTok, but I wouldn't chase this. I would not chase that. All right, Micron coming back down. SPY moving back down here. Looking good. Here comes Micron. Here comes SPY. Ooh, Amy coming down a little. Russia bans sugar. How do we play that? I saw that. I looked for sugar stocks this morning, and I was like, this is just insane. I don't think I'm going to do anything on it. But they did do it. 65% on Micron now. Only up 2% on these SPYs. So let's see what happens here. I was looking at it. You can, where is it on my screen? Sugar stocks. I literally have this right here. Sugar stocks. I was looking at it this morning. I was like, oh, let's see what we can get on sugar. But I don't think. All right, Micron coming back down. You're up 200% for the day. You're taking a me day and heading to the wood shop and have some fun. You guys have a great day. Robert, first of all, thanks for being a member, my man. I really appreciate that. And good for you, man. Volume bar huge on what? SPY? This red candle? Yeah, this is on the 1 minute. Let's see if it wants to break. The 13 did inflect over here. So on Micron though, no. Walmart flying. Damn. That would have been a good hold, but yeah, Walmart would have been a good one. Whatever. It's fine. Didn't want to hold it. Could have held it through the stop or to the stop. But SPY's coming back down here. Micron selling off. Is Oracle going up even higher? No, it's not doing it. It came up to this high and then got knocked right back down. SPY coming down. Micron, what's this doing? Down below 74. Ooh, it's trying. It's trying. There she goes again. All right. Let's see how much money we can squeeze out of these Microns. Yeah, Micron heading to new low, maybe. 73.82 is the low. We would need some help from the SPY to get it there. I mean, Amy's already selling off 14.82. The SPY just looks weak. Look at it on the rejected at this. I mean, let's see. If you buy 15 and 16 AMC call and AMC hits 17, which strike price will be a higher percentage gain? The higher strike. Lunchtime consolidation now? Maybe. All right, let's see. What's this on the 1 minute? I like it. 1 minute MACD cross down on Micron. SPY flickering. Right up to that 48. Let's see. Took 90% profits on your SPY put. There you go, man. Strike $14 cost for AMC, but it's $14.50 or lower. It's tempting, expiring 3 weeks. Yeah, maybe. I mean, you'll make a little bit on that. You would make a little bit. So let's see here. Guys, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. You guys are crushing it today. Thank you guys so much. The sellers won this morning. Now it's time for the buyers to step in. I don't know if they're going to be able to do that. I don't know if those buyers are going to be able to step in today, especially with CPI data and job numbers. And Fed meeting going into next week. I don't think they want to do that. SPY YOLO calls. They're not really, they would expire tomorrow, so they're not really YOLOs. I mean, if SPY breaks this 48, like, I don't know. We'll see. Micron down. Walmart. Fucking Walmart. Oh, man. Walmart pumping, dude. Oh, Oracle also has earnings after hours today. 58% on the Micron. Ooh, SPY's coming up here. Ooh, SPY's getting some candles here. What's this on the 5-minute? 13 EMA test? Yeah, it's probably going to do this test of the 13. So let's see what happens here. It's still within the gap. It's still in the gap. 1,300 cash out of Walmart and Angel. There you go, man. There you freaking go. All right, let's see here. What we got? Down like 2% on SPY puts, up 60% on Micron puts, though. All right. SPY 5-minute MACD might want to cross here. What's it on Micron? Oh, Micron, it did cross, but it's coming back down. So let's see. Still just hanging around this 48. Never trading Riot again. I don't trade Riot anymore, really. Where can you paper trade options? TD. TD Ameritrade. SPY about to cross up on the 1-minute. It's trying. It's trying to. I mean, the trend is sort of reversed here for a little bit off of these lows, but I mean, Micron still looks like it wants to come down. How do you roll over calls in Webull? Rolling over is just selling and buying more. That's all it is. Let's see. SPY. All right. So SPY's at this 13 EMA over here. It's rejecting a little bit, but let's see what happens. When are the Quad U sanction news supposed to come out? Give it like a week, I think. I just got it yesterday on the... Ooh, SPY's coming up here. Squirrel! What's SPY say on the 3-minute? Yeah, 5-minute probably just did it as well. The STC has not crossed on the SPY 5-minute yet. Micron coming back up. It's starting to move back up. Please look at AGRI again. I don't want people to chase stuff like that, so I don't really want to pull it up. Like if it's just up a crazy amount, I don't know the news. I don't know what it is. It's like crazy. There's no options on it. It's like watch out for pumping up rug pull stuff on that type of stuff. Cash out of Micron at 370%. There you go. I mean, Micron's still below the 13 EMA over here, so it's fine. Not sure watching. Yeah. MACD hasn't crossed yet. The 5-minute STC hasn't signaled buy. It's coming back down. It's out of the gap now, so let's see. Let's see. What's Bumble doing? Up or down? I'm trying to move up here. Let's see. Micron. Coming up a little. Let's see. You're watching 422? Okay, fair. What is that? It's probably like right here. Yeah. CPI data was as expected? Yes, it was. Micron coming up to this 13. Let's see. Now, 421, like 40 is where the gap starts, I think. Or it's 422. Yeah, 421.40. So it went down into the gap and came right back up. Let's see. Coming back down. Micron, 74.51. How much are these up now? Like 50, 40%? 40, 50%? Ooh, only 37. Interesting. Should I buy another one? If SPY falls back down below this 13, I might get some more Micron. SPY didn't like it. UVXY coming down. Interesting. Interesting, interesting, interesting. All right, let's see. Amy trying to bounce up to this 13 EMA at 1492. GME 163. Let's see. All right, closing candle above the 13. Micron rejecting. SPY's moving back down. Let's see what it is on the 5-minute. 5-minute triggered buy on the STC, rejecting off of that 20 EMA over here. SPY right at that 13. Micron coming down. Let's see. SPY just crossed up on the 1-minute, but still looking drunk. I wouldn't play the 1-minute cross. 3-minute maybe. Just bought a bunch of Micron $75 calls. Good luck. Good luck. I still see the market as having some more downside. GME 100.57. 149 now. Let's see. All right. What do we got? SPY kind of bouncing off this 13 here. Micron coming back down. Jim, you're like the new Austin, buddy. Unless you are Austin with a new name. Because I feel like I banned Austin. It's being so negative all the time. My Micron puts for fire. I mean, it's looking good. Let's see here. Let's see what we're going to get. Alrighty. SPY back down. Micron's down 6%. Jesus. UVXY 2081. If it closes below this price, up comes the SPY. Let's watch and see. Yeah, where is it right now? Is it 2081? Yeah, what is this? So it never crossed up. UVXY never crossed up. On the 5-minute, it looks like it wants to come down. It does look like it could come down here. But let's see if the 5-minute... Yeah, hold on. This could get interesting. SPY back up. UVXY coming down. Hold your horses, people. Micron coming back up to that 13. Ooh, this candle is going to go green, I think. Interesting. Your Micron puts are up 215%. There you go. Looks like a PPT day. Yeah, could be. Could be, man. All right, let's see. Have we talked about Lou last night yet? Oh, he's a complete moron. Yeah. And has no idea what he's talking about. Oh, if it doesn't squeeze this month, it's over. You've been calling for a squeeze every single month for like fucking 7 months. Neo getting destroyed. Yeah, SPY moving back down here. Micron 74.37. Told you this is going to be crazy. Daniel, it is crazy right now. Yeah, I mean, SPY's just flickering, man. I don't know. I mean, let's see if we can get back down to that gap level, but it looks flickery, dude. I mean, Micron looking all right, but let's see. All right. Still below the 13 on Micron. Dude, this is crazy candles over here. These are crazy candles. Let's see, everybody. How can there be a PPT in a free market? Exactly. Exactly. All right. We got 1 minute left on this SPY candle. Micron's holding below 74.50. I mean, the trend is down. Like the whole trend is just like high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. MACD did cross though. So here we go. If SPY breaks through the 200, that's far away. The 200 on the SPY is kind of far. Last 2 days have been painfully slow and draining. They have been. This has been craziness in the market. Micron, this candle's going green here. 74.51. SPY's coming up here. Where's it on the 1 minute? That's not what I want. SPY could come up to this 200 here. All right, let's see where this candle is. And what they want to do with this. Micron coming back down, SPY moving back down a little bit here. I don't know. I think it's just going to be very volatile. I still see SPY going down a little bit longer today. So let's see what happens. Everything's reversing. SPY's about to pump. That's probably what they want you to think. I mean, it's still coming up here. Micron's still at the low over here. Isn't it 422.26? It's at 421.87 right now. The 200 EMA on the SPY right here is 424 on the 5-minute on Webull. Let's see. SPY coming down. CVX is about to cross down on the 3-minute. Yeah, that might mean SPY up. Oil's red now. WTI crude just went red. That could be one of the reasons why SPY's running here. Micron's still below that 13. Still below the 13. Okay, here we go. SPY's coming up to touch these levels over here. What does the contract say? 40% still on the microns. Not bad. Let's see here. Oxy coming back down. Damn. It is lunchtime, too. So, guys. Oh, Squirrel. We were watching 422, weren't we? Oh, shoot. All right, guys. That is going to wrap up the morning stream. If you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the way out, helps out a whole lot. And make sure you check out that Discord over there. If you guys want to learn the strategy that we're using to catch these plays like Micron and everything like that, and all the other plays that we've been really hitting over the last couple of weeks, make sure you check out the link to the Discord in the top of the chat over here. It's going to help you with your trading. We teach you the strategy. Then we give you a very, very powerful tool in order to make it extremely easy for you to find the opportunities. So, shout out to all the mods, all the members, and especially the new members and everybody that's being positive today, especially with all these nonsense price moves that we're seeing all across the market. You guys are awesome. We'll be back on here at 1:15 Eastern, so make sure you guys are ready for that. Other than that, guys, feel free to check out the Discord, hit that like button on the way out, and peace.